than to rely on the current CI with its inherent challenges to conduct the voters registration exercise until such time as the NIA will become fully operational.
Enti wanu ankasa na kwa mrashebedwa fie de constitutional instrument CI kwa yese agise Ghana card ne kwa ni susudua adasani begina so ato aba efri sabra no ekwa wo mangare mo nanso no wotase hwedi pa no ekamia kwa yese NIA ya wonu hwe tintim Ghana card de ma de hye no enam sa kadie ni bi hyeda ni wonti no ama wo mo nwumadie no aka kire kakra no nti kwapemo se NIA dwumadie ni nyina bedi mo ne de CI no enyanya adwuma nti December bosom de atoso edun krono na chese aka ese na fuwa bese num ne yedi bronya wase sada no ana assembly man fo ye to mo so aba no abofo no ene campaign mo nyire mo honya pa asesa sika nyina kwa ye campaign na ye to aba bronya brepa no wanya bronya ni di ba ye dio ba ye hapa sembe hanti eno no maami Jane Mensa ya wono ye chairperson da ba to komisa ano ena wode ensemi to nsantwerefo anim na yenwie ensemi ye ewo bono mantemom enranda ana bono nananom atrankonwa ya wono wo ye adwumanso bi ma ahemfo bese mienu mi de wo mo swai wo mo edeka bono regional house of chiefs ekwom na nananom aye nana amoapon tabrako ye otoso miensa ene wanche hene enra wo so akofuna mu eswaye osagefo ampem anye ye ono so ye kwantwoma hene wo so akofuna mu swaye nei ye betimi aka ne pray enye pray fa se bono regional house of chiefs ewura no mu yanasa nananom yi wo mo edini akwaka ho ebiem na wo mo dwumade no ase no anadoma hene ya wono corona so aye president ya wada bono regional house of chiefs anom osagefo osiade yo Dr. Ajiman Badum ene ye wokasa no osasem bi ka na sa Ghana fo nyina ehye bo na ehye yemu ehye bo sa mo ntimi nkanto ne de wobeka ene san yete hanomo ena frase auditor general's report by 2022 de ba ye ekire mo se wo man Ghana Bank of Ghana ye hwe ha ama 60.8 billion Ghana cedis sikanu ayira se 2 years memye se motia na hokọ ye bepemo ne ye nya hu ni pa na no so ema sa sikanu ayira ye wo mayi so ye ho kire ye ema IMF ne kwa wie ya ye so wo mo ye bosia $3 billion sikai bra ya bre pa ne pentin kwa ya tie ansa na wo mo age atuma no kura ne fa bi adi nkan ba afede sikai bi ba ya Bank of Ghana for ye na mo so ami ahwere sika twitwi die wo man Ghana mu no wo si wo sign added $250 million esa so aye headquarters ni ade na se na we pa antie ka sai wo man Ghana pa ye timi ye kwa ya na se ye bai ye wo niema bebre wo man mu ebetimi ni sika we aye mabuna wie suku wo nya nwuma anwa ebi mu ye adwuma wo allowance ma ye 1 minute bia na strike na mu ni ade akwanfo ho asem kra de ye nka wo man Ghana mu asai na Bank of Ghana for what so no say wo mo de sika sai $250 million aye headquarters no se dabi wo mo aye wie de na so e wase etimi hwehwe mu pa na msa sai sika die eni kwa sa Ghana ye tena ho ema etimi efa ye nsa sesa Dr. Osagefo Osiade yo Ajiman Badum Nsem no sede osi eka no yentia yi
ade ba ko bi ekoso e wo Ghana ha esese odika asemi dika na wane beka maka original minister ade share wo ha na onchare be ya akwa huhiem ye kwaji sika IMF $3 billion sa $3 billion ya kwaji bre and some of first trying to over second one cry compare so be do be na mpai bona ye gusua ye resa ba ne benya no betumi ade aboye nyina ye hobra ade bi aba Ghana okroni oya ya njina Bank of Ghana and say isika bre nyina no wono hwa so de mai oya be independent ade bia ni wo Ghana for abono for kan we independent no ma woni ni abono for ne Ghana for no ye de mai Bank of Ghana ye tire ya ba Baboka $60 billion Ghana cedis. Oh, yeah, no, Oboka $60 billion. I never go and anti asem de ordinary na yegusu yenyeza asa no yankan wie yete ya be Bank of Ghana bosia na yakobo na IMF no uche mudum yenu Bank of Ghana nkoa no ode mo $250 million ode ba ko okosi dane abeni ekese be shebi asinji ne ba na be yo $250 million abebe ni osi dane e bank kwa betinam no me de mentrasie na no krani Yes, 250 million say they brought a regional House of Chiefs. And then Regis Wagana say the $10 million a brand regional minister so here. Safa boya mobra. I'm thinking going to be funded in my Emanenka the other. Hey, then the Bank of Ghana on Onqua. What makes no was a main BC Dania Edisa. Nanokrani Adio de Minim Maka. Sabampa one Samanka. And then will be grand about the book work and never who say any abre. Abuana can libra $250 million. Say a day, Sabio Rantia Babeko school back, Nabenya Jumanyo. Yet is scandal to us saying a puppy, near Fanya Bibimaba, and to me because here, and Mabe, a man for Swama, the best Slam Penny, Bank of Ghana on Yan dependent to Sa, on Friday, non the Bentina Kupum, Nabama Kabi Papabi, and Chere, Masasa Mede, Yabon Joso, say a copper Bosia, na on Unqua, make us a Bosian be no yo, Nasigano, Yagana Fontino, or him I, Sasami, I can't say. Nanam Bunu region as of Kit, Yabon Joso, Yamu say at the Shenosubeka, Sadi and the dear, Yabasre, Abani on shame as a matter of priority. We are appealing to the government of the Republic of Ghana. Sabanshim, 250 million cry, but Mother Kwana Banga than Fancy. But Sierra, Namu, Bandabanshim, Yamusika Crony, Nayamu Bia Comano, Abasono, and Yada, Onko.
Osaje fo osia dia ya Dr. Ajima Mbadu doma hine no krana so anikani for president Edema Bono Regional House of Chiefs enra bra wa mu ye nhemode no se da bi asem na dika Ghana for bodwo so adonti won de obeka ama ba na hunu se niam bi wo ho ma wiase mpanefo se ye de hia wie ansana ya ye de efatam ana brama kwa danya ne kase ni nyina ye de ni nyina esie na Facebook fo ye chiachi mo pa mo amugina so na da woro ma moma ye ntem nka moma monsa so na ye hu san pai musumu kokrom Hernandez Fidel Hayford ye da se pa Frank Mafo ese wa ye incoming assemblyman ewo kokobra na se wa chikrom ejama fo no wo se wo tie yen Akoma FM ye de mu live ewo fo meso a chirikrom wo fa Kofi wo se more fire na sanso ayasemo Locomotion GH so say good morning Akoma FM hwemo pa de free asen enua so Francis Kalabi aseme chiamo pa na wone de wo hwe yen de free anasa securities and chiamom enkoma KNUS security officers nyina ana fa bishop ya wo Nast library Akoma news the best here that say Al Hassan Baba say good morning na Francis Kasadi bia ka ho a wo chem se we de PURC mo fa de ato mo ho so se wo mo concerns mu je de wo se ensuo na se ba na nya kura ubu nsuo si ho a kase obi asanwea frem enye kura nsuo na ni nye eti asra mo hwe na mo nka ho asem emfa emaye na Code Music hwe yen e free a brand new site ma me se wa information center was great news Albert Quenon hwe yen e free ashamai adobwate ese Belgium Brussels na wo hwe yen Ephraim afei sanso so na adobwate ene wade bebre aba yadamo ase papa Facebook fo sa mo kaya ho brano na yetumi edekase na eso mo amutie radio Akoma 87 na mo ka mu ba bia wo bia no pai wa bia ye no nyame onhira papa information center sa brano mo fo adwumade ne ye kase ayente mo nka no ya na mo ama yen atemo nka medin ade ama sewa sapano pai aseda ekọ ede ama Beatrice Spio Gabra mama 1 kwa me bafo ajekum wo bobo ansam na mama waje brano asase mo kama Williams Evans inkum so ade ne pai esanse ansane atumi ade nsam no nyina da yade abasomo obibini na akohene eso so etna fidie no ache piapia voices nyina da kama ade tomo ema me na ya dauma wo hwe ye e Facebook no eso ena ye fiada Kofi Friday efiada bi ede Aduanaba Kofi Asante Ghana koma dwumadie no wade twaso ade amaye
Yakrado na Akoma 87.9 FM Babe shake your cycle be say ye gidi putu Asante marathon Jumate Paso Saturday
7th October 2023
where the biggest ever marathon. Ya Esi, Ewa Asante Mantemwa, Kumase and Apostle. Kayos ya beer registration. Na registration o Obia Jimmy Baby. And not to keep fake clubs, corporate bodies, schools, individuals, and Yabusia Fonina, Ebetimia Baby. Wope Jumadian Winchemupia, Freya was
0246 766060.
and our brother Fondex of Akoma 87.9 FM. Ewa Kumasi City Mall, main gate Nimshanimua, media partners, Aya TV3, Onia TV, 3news.com, and Onia online.com. Sante Marathon, Ebeye Butu Butu Butu, Giddy, Obia Makwa.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Mempatable. Kofi Asante. Ade ha e o yempatable ha. Toilet, ensio, and a police station. Mempatable.
Kofi Asante. For me na yempatable ha. Hospital no achepa papa ehia ya.
Mempatable.
Aduanaba Kofi Asante. Yempatable ha ya kwan ne de enya kra. Ka bia kra ntimi mfa ha je so wona nte kokotia no ho ansa no wanya ka ayede.
Mempatable aye dwumadi aye de braw e wo Ghana Akoma so e wo Akoma 87.9 tuada kwesi efiade biara.
Aduanaba Kofi Asante. Mempatable ase hospital ni nyai pa. Ada torrent yakwa so enye street no ni street bia wa ase.
Yadi dwumadi e braw anopa no nsia ne fa kwesi no wotwe ansa na bedwafo atrasiese bekutre e wo nsam we da o my Ghana Akoma so efiri no wotwe ene fa ekokosi no ndu beka me ho na yema yempatable ho ban e wo Ghana Akoma so e wo Akoma 87.9 dwumadi e be mu akwanya e ma wode ne ekoso e wo mpotemu e de abrayen se ya akwan dumso ya bridges na asaye ensuo na ema efi e na emre yen ade biara ekoso wo mpotemu a ya kampanifo entu ho anamono Akoma 87.9 e wo Ghana Akoma dwumadi so e ma wakwanya e ma yetimi esi ho abrekutre
komi ase no afini busumi nie ezue fe mu makoma ko 11 we kan one makoma ko 11 ni nyina abaya huru aba TV so aba net aba YouTube aba ho WhatsApp ni aba bila huru ye baba ye munye
sia mosomfo Aduanaba Kofi Asante Ennin ene Ghana Akoma bedwafo na yenkambom ne yenhwe wo mpotemu ensam a ekoso me mpotemu dwumadi be mu akwanya e ma wo ankasa wa video watwa picture record e de abraye ne ekoso e wo mpotemu me mpotemu kame ho na yensiesie ye mpotemu na yemmo Ghana Akoma ho ban e wo Akoma 87.9 me mpotemu.
I ask you to be citizens, not spectators, responsible citizens, building your communities and our nation.
Akoma mu nsem hwan na nim akoma mu nsem ye bebre
akoma mu hye akoma mu pa de me mo obi ehu akoma
berma bi ni obi awo si won hye nkoda na na
hye me ba no wo be hye no wo ye de wo be hye
nkola no me nhwe mu ba bia wo bia fo mo ani die se me pa meti misika hwe nkola de wo boa
asambe na aka no ne ma wo enemre me oban kwa na ewo
me nhwe mu ewura me nhwe mu
ana oba bi so bu berma bi kwasia ebro ne na wo ne manyina na nso ba kokora nya berma ne dia mo be hia die na na
kwaminu se mechi no wo bema wo fro ho na mia me di mani ahu amanfo de kan mate se wo twempere wo machi nti ansa na mehwe akwara ne diem ase akwa die na medie na approve se ampa akwara ye meba enye saa de a ma wo horo me se fra akwara no
ana wo ha ne nyina ne sen ene ehia ma akose
ne da no wo mu sensa ka ye bia ba no te se oba awonyem amfa wo ho wo emisahwe no ansa wo ne na da na wo misa no be ma foforo enti ase ni
oni na bejafo Pastor Julius
say ababa wo ti bo mode etu kwan kon enkran adwamanti masrema ntum hofo sa kwan so ompe be ma anyine sikani
na akuya koko
woni wo about na 3 years one for ring answer no e de na twawia sinyina akwa aba nda unhu wo bi 7 months dia wakukuru ring dia hye no mumma
ewo Akoma 87.9 so ejuada de kopim fiada ebra awia dumienu abapa ho sina aduanan e de kopim se no miensa ebebo 12:40 to 3 p.m. Ofa mane bi mu ana bibi na etete wo ene fa ho ne bedan Marcos oni na bedwafo ewa Akoma mu nsem dwumadie so no mu pense wo nsem no mu empa ne pomasibre ubehu Akoma FM atwa akwan ewo Asukwa yene Kuma City Mall ne main entrance ene di animhye anase bisa TV3 office dine mu so hian chehye mu bi ene efra yen wa number iso 0246 82 4549 Akoma mu nsem obi nka bi ma
right, for my nyina ye ho achen my ho akwa about this is the voice for the morning. Radio Dom or the Achain. And now the 18th of August 2023. And God has been faithful.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
And now we're celebrating the 4th anniversary of Akoma 87.9 FM. Akoma 4 years ended this month. The last 15th was, of course, the last week. But in the month of August, this is our birth month. Now, and now you baby kakra we nim ha. You cake. Ya the radia say. You mu be ebe join team no. Nyame ya domwa September ebe that is September 20th will be our 3rd year. Until radia ebi oni ene din ye. We are more grateful to our listeners. And you benya da agene din komo. We give the microphone to you. Programs ahodo Akoma, you elaborate them. We have all the gift for you until you are feeding in free. We have a very glamorous ceremony our down ho. Just your listeners, your team for the donano. And you be chayanum. Akoma staff. You be chayanum papa. You be broyanum. Na young kokofa weda na mransa. You be din koma ohu nyina so ebe toaso. Senior Duteku is on the line. Senior, good morning.
Ucho no my academy.
I am Becca Kakra. I don't pay you with such a Mamma can't cheer at you for Mr. Ike Kumi and pay for being machine of Tio den. Also, the voice I love to hear every morning. Mr. Ike Kumi, Jesus, said your name to you, obey and not pay, and I said the sumo. And now I can say I'm a machino, you bring in sooner. We delay kakra nka machine be 5 o'clock 4 o'clock 5 no and all the prayer sa nso we no anya hanko ahono paya no e be on and off for most parts of Asante region. It's a free and kwanza eko on a war volley bamboy Ennin volley enchamono on san of paya no nso no be jai amawomo one a war me bit say yendi bachamale. And also I pay almost umbenya in suno. No nyedin, mom slight reindeer, Sabefa almost so a good. Ya share and or chinanin at the Chiaco na and only organ at TV from the northern part of Ghana. No. Apart from that, I no pay omunya in suno and you reno and so ever sign a sanyo ornament. And so is sanyo hobia. Now just any question also, and also another one assign Asante into a modi a very active in Suno, Agrada, and in Flamakaka at the womb are in Suno, so at the book. Yeah, Bagana, coastal area, Honoma, and amongst one of pay Econim Cacran, bear say, and I copiano, a design of Honoma, so in the Google, on a one crime, on a fair flower, a pan crime, a packet could say the Sita Crati. And then accent and half a sin one no. The resin so no a base can no more. Now just we are breno, a boy who are any organ and thinking from Jenny Kumasi in France a gra and an important one, and not just a nenso in Suno, a free we could be or moving we are memenda or china ahmachi as a memenda ahmachino. And also so and pigment and as a pity no cacano, yeah, beside Enya, he said they are not paying yan or Hanoa. And he and no sad we are now, and here we any bay any bay adoring necos, memendanity, them free, everything area afternoon. And to some beer and a high train. Naimum Quasiadano. And one hour Ghana TV from no, a person be about basic. 1 hour did I ask you home and pon and bottom. Now, any Okumasi, the bay free cacra am my and now cheery in Suno, a big war on name of any Okumasi, ye free say that me a juma. However, your mark came such a be a bemoir, a tear for your best ambam, a best am for mopon, I be will be answered at money. A better was Syria and I prepare for a comprehensive update on the weather. We are grateful.
Yes,
Right. 36 minutes past 6. We cannot do anything and not pay than to thank God for 4 years. and mo mo Facebook page nyame enhyira ye nyina na anopay ye benyamre na ya celebrate from 9 o'clock going. It will be a very detailed celebration of Akoma at 4. Now me pese mo share images, pictures, flyers na mo bi e kai kakra. Ye kai kai ho kakra ye wi a we'll swing into a discussion na fe about interrogating whatever is happening the ECOWAS and the generals ebe meeting in their preparation. Therefore, mukai we date we erabe date we na na date be ya this date we yes. Therefore, I'm share on Facebook page. This was one of our earliest Wonsum discussions. Now, these were the men we started with you. We'll always remember you. Yebekai Debia. Way back September 28th. Ushe date we inswa Ghana Akoma we of free fire mwaponko Kwesi Chei and Dr. Asma Sapon, now Professor Sapon. This was 28th. Into your buy, and that is the 2 weeks after you're joining Akoma. 2 weeks after this was the show. And we Ghana Akoma and the team I know here, and it was so brutal. Very lovely. Therefore, that's why I appreciate you. If I am up, I don't pay. Maybe I will be ano Mamin Chow. And this was 2nd October, Community Connect, I acquire and Webuakwa. Sa program we no crony anywhere. It was so interesting. And I walk up police station. Nah, I'm sure no. I think one of the that is Derek, who was the NDC and the independent guy. Prior to the election, yes, Pinso. Pinso. Na eno edanchen we had a lot of interesting vibes and so on. So this was on 25th of September. That is 5 days after joining Akoma FM. Samuel Adaijekum, Solomon Anane, and Lawrence Edu Dapa. That time now, Ujina LPG as a parliamentary candidate for Yani Ankasa Yahya Subin, and he was the gentleman who was on there. Now, another pay a lot. The first day show will bring you all that. Now, wait a minute, so Ashe. Tomorrow journey on Facebook page. Nyame adom, all these teams are still with us. We are grateful, and we continue to be grateful. Say money atna na madika catch us at 9 o'clock. Yebe brandy into Akoma at 4. All flyers yebe release. Baby I will be now once wait me share on your WhatsApp pages, everything. 9 o'clock pepe Akoma at 4. Yede bebrel. Na nyame adom erade de ache yen. Emfie 9 and the ababidu will tell you. Say we've gone far, we've chalked a lot of success. Munyina mudi adanse baby a erade de Akoma ababidu. Enye ye nia eye motiefo ena monam nyame nam so ene ababidu be edrin. We are grateful. Enano pay ebinyamre na fe yedi nkoma ahodo bebre e wa fidie so ye be hwe na ya discussions ahodo na yetimin so but enra do mahina kasa a very very interesting and explosive voice wasu onya ya nkobekwa kubu Bank of Ghana 87.9 Bank of Ghana omo edan na omo sie no so tumi pa na onya ya kobekwa kubu ogu na ade a ekoso no airtime do mahene na ohoi na nani abre den we say eniaba bebre a ekoso wo Ghana ha no enye fe na airtime yentie do mahene nsɛm a ɛno ɔde to dwa.
Adeɛ baako bi ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ Ghana ha ɛsɛ sɛ odika asɛm edika na wane bɛka mɛka regional minister adehyɛ wɔ ha na ɔnkyɛreɛ bɛyɛ akɔ ahohiahiam yɛkɔgye sika IMF $3 billion saa $3 billion yɛ yɛkɔgye brɛ ya brɛ ansa na first tranche ɔba second one kora yɛ mpaeɛ sɛ ɔbɛyɛ dɛ ɔbɛba na mpaebɔ no a yɛgu so a yɛhwɛ sɛ aba no bɛnya na wobɛtumi ade abɔ yɛ nyinaa yɛho bra adeɛ bi aba Ghana okroni oya ya was njina Bank of Ghana and say isika kura nyina no wo no hwɛ so de my oya be independent adeɛ bia ni wo a Ghana for abonofo kan wo independent no ma woni nya abonofo no Ghana for no ye de my Bank of Ghana yɛte yɛ baba are de ba aboka 60 billion Ghana cedis oya no tin ko oboka 60 billion ani ba ko na ntie mi asɛm de ɔde na yɛguso yɛnyɛ saa no yɛnka yɛte yɛbɛ Bank of Ghana bosia na yɛkɔbɔ na IMF no wokyɛ mu dum yɛnu a Bank of Ghana nkoa no ɔde mu 250 million ɔde baako okosi dane abɛnini ɛkyɛ sɛ bɛnhyɛ bi asinti ne yɛbɛba ne bɛyɔ $250 million abɛbɛde osi dane ɛbɛ nkoa bɛtenam no medeɛ mente aseɛ na nanom nɔkorɛ ni yɛnte aseɛ ɔnyɛ yi 250 million sɛ yɛde bro ayi regional house of chiefs and our regions were Ghana. Say the $10 million a bra regional minister so here. Sapa boy mobra. I think going to be funded in my man can the other. Hey, then the Bank of Ghana on Gua. What makes no one may be see Daniel episode. Nano friendly idea where they mean Maka. Sabampa one Samanka. And then will be ground by the book work and never who say any abre. Abuana can libra $250 million. Say a day, Sabio Rantia Babako school back. Nabenya Jumanyo. Yet is the two Hosaya Papim, Niampa Yabi Maba, and to me Yabi Cassia, and Mabe, and Manfasoma, the best Sreman Pangini, Bank of Ghana, on Yan dependent to Sa, on Frabe, non the Bantan Kukum, Naban Makabi, Papabi, and Chere, Masasa Mede, Yabon Joso, say a copper Bosia, na on Onkua, make us a Bosian Binodio, Nasigano, Yagana Fontino, or him I, Sasami Yakanika say. Na nanam bunu region as of tea yabon joso ye mu say adehye no so beka saa de na de ye besre say abane onhwem as a matter of priority we are appealing to the government of the Republic of Ghana say ban hwehwem 250 million kra ben ma be kwana ma ban ye dem fancy ben si awie na mom ben ban hwehwem ne enhu sika kro no yie na ye mu bi yakoma no abasoro no enye de onkofom
na mebo Bank of Ghana say omo dia feina womo to omo boase to release the data and all details about the edaya womo diskapudio AC and in fact revelations ahodo a eba no anweden utie report ahodo a eba I think I agree with you it's so outrageous Ghana we are not setting our priorities right. Na afei ubehe na empenimfo we dwanefa na we dwanefa and na me na woka say are you aware say Niger chief of staff abesiki refuge e wo Ghana ha we bo no ho adwa we dwane afri Niger and we aba be she Ghana all because there is a military coup d'etat on Niger. And the only place Obenya Asumdwe is to come and seek refuge in Ghana. Is he mo twanya na mo kekamo niama bomwa na niama seria na wo dimirika no afedie ombenya ba bia koninti the ordinary and the ordinary person on the only baby akore there say bibi na besia na on the waka Niger ho no ho so you see why the leaders that they don't think because they are able to go and protect themselves na ene yebenya da agena ya interrogate enra the security couples meeting na ekoso ewo enkran eno da nchen so a the foreign affairs ministry at the long statement at the aba passport kwaje passporta how a man for fem ansa na wɔn nsa aka passport, just a passport. Yɛte wa yɛda sɔre yɛ zo zi a passport kora no mpanimfoɔ arrange na wɔn ayɛ no online, until you can easily acquire your passport through online. Simply mansa wo ye ya obetimi anya wo passport there. Oh, online started yeah, no middleman. Afedi ewi ase o ko apply for passport it me catch us just 2024 December and san when your interview date. And so ujina ha no be catch us o twen no akowura mu pa interview date na 2024 December no near the aba offend say 2 days time the Goro boys na manfo gum no mubu nkofo faso. These are the concerns nipa bi entiase. What are our priorities? Ye temska ni atogu baby basa Ghana temska ni aseno ye temska ni de ye niema ehu hia obi pe 500 Ghana cedis e dey a business setup e wo Ghana ha 500 Ghana cedis obi pe 500 Ghana cedis e dey a ni dwetire wuti sky ye boboso okrom ha wuti Ghana koma na mpanimfo keka gbomu ni ye bo a asajameska no yes yehwe ebirum wo ewiem baabi a ye didua wo ho a na ska ni hwiegu asajamanye no mu nyina na ebobra asajamanye no mu nyina na epeska ni bi. They pour money $120 million US dollars, $80 million US dollars, 84 million and then within 4 months na dollar rate na assign higher variation
87.9 Kumasi.
Then in the mood say akopie $240 million US dollars. Yeguso yes no. Toma I agree with you on this one.
Ade ba ko bi ekoso e wo Ghana ha esese odika asemi dika na wane beka maka original minister ade share wo ha na onchare be ya akwa huhiem ye kwaji sika IMF $3 billion. Sa $3 billion ya kwaji bre ya bre and some of first tranche oba second one cry empire so be do be na empire bona ye gusua ye resa ba ne benya na obetumi ade aboye nyina ye nkubra ade bi abagana okroni o ya njina Bank of Ghana and say isika kra nyina no wo no hwe so de mai o ya be independent ade bia ni wo Ghana for abono for kan we independent no ma woni nya abono for na Ghana for no ye de mai Bank of Ghana ye te ye ba ba Aboka 60 billion Ghana cedis. Oh, yeah, no think about Aboka 60 billion. I think I go and TME. Asem dodene na yeguso yenyes asa no yankan we yete ya be Bank of Ghana bosia na yakobo na IMF no uche mudum yenu a Bank of Ghana nkoa no ode mo 250 million ode ba ko okosi dane abani e se be je bia sinji ye ba na be yo $250 million ababa de osi dane e bank wa ba etinam no me de mentlase na no no krani ye ntiase onye yi $250 million say ye de bro a regional house of chiefs and our regions work Ghana. Say the $10 million a bra regional minister so here. Sapa boya mobra. I think don't be funded in my Emanenka the other. Hey, that's the Bank of Ghana on Gua. What makes no one may be see Daniel Edisa. Nanokrani, Adio, I mean, Maka, Sabampa, one Samanka. And then will be ground by the book work and never who say any abre. Abuana can libra $250 million. Say a day, Sabio Rantia Babako school back, Nabenya Jumanyo. Yet is the 2 hours I have happened. Niampania Bibi Maba, and to me, because here, and Mabe, and Manfaswama, the best Lemon Penny, Bank of Ghana, on independent to Sa, on Frabe, non the Bentana Kukum, Nabama Kabi, Papa, and Chere, Masasa Mede, Yabon Joso, say a copper Bosia, na on Unqua, make us up. Nasigano, Yagana Fontino, or him I Sasami Hakan, say, na nanom bunu region as of king ya bon dwoso ya hu say ya de hye no so be ka saa de ne de ya besre say abane onhwem as a matter of priority. We are appealing to the government of the Republic of Ghana. 250 million gra ben mother kwana na ben yeden fancy ben si awie na mo ben ben hwehwem ye hu sika kro ni ye na ye mu bi yakoma no abasoro no enye de onkofom
doma hene akoma abasoro na wakoma abasoro ampa. Now, as I said, I agree with you 100% on this. Indeed, it's so bad and terrible, sir. Yeah, you're penning for our Ghana. Under the guise of, oh, we are independent. We are uncrankra. Now we are then. Then they are wasting the taxpayers' money. Ofa Omai Ghana, Bank of Ghana, ne CEO, any managers, a woho sika, wamo edia, salary editor and car president enu half. Timitam 150,000. Yeah, the amobi 1.5 billion a month. And allowance to say ma near Timmy Atanase near the your friend is saying car maintenance and repair. Within a year, and when the top 70 Land Cruisers are a bay near Tuogu Pam, and you have the ordinary person sitting there. I will know Onya or friend is saying 500 Ghana cedis, just 500 Ghana cedis, 500, and I will be per 500 Ghana cedis. Me say, and I pay. I want. Skasa na wunya ka betimi de I set up for a business. How much would you need to set up a business at Ghana? How much? What we say? Ya tuaba ya di ani agu ya politicians so ya adwuma ya bri moja ni ya koba obi nya 300 Ghana cedis obetimi de start ya to bidie atom. Top bag back on you was on in fitch. You been with me a juma now for a station for Kofi for 9 months. I kept you that's one by you for Napco for one more dear and Kaya my you for one more prepara Kwan Kofi. I kept you my Bank of Ghana more my so. Mote mobuas munhwe Ghana yensika nyina so ade a obi dibi ntimo nso mfa mutingom na mo say no misusing the taxpayers money na mo tuskani gu edan yeti kroma na nka brebidu yanka yesi parliament Ghana for sorry kiti yampene parliamentarians de mirika and a top parliament dynasty because they do maybe at the will of the ordinary voter. And they are very important. Yeah, politicians and so and politicians. Yeah, the technocrat, the civil servant, and I'm say politicians and do one I greedy. You best say greedy bastards in tea. Uba na technocrat na kwa show mochi. Wo mu dia no matam kakra no ma set politicians ne up. But when you have the technocrat, the civil servant, wo no milk the omenya, you'll be shocked. Because they have been there. Politicians they watch out 4 years no what bro so at west na 8 years. Into okwa na fofraba na omono de omo da so ahihye fom ho ye kire we ni say na abedi boss fafa ha na abenya biadi we ya na abenya biadi. The ordinary Ghanaian na obre ope bibi ketua bi, he just wants something small. Enye bibi kesi o nana ya bema me ofa adum ha amokom nipa ejina montene so team fifty.
FM 87.9 Kumasi.
They just want something. Me say anopai, how much will you need? na wetimi set up even a business? Just how much? I just want to know how much. Me obi here 500 Ghana cedis, just 500 Ghana cedis to set up a business. People are not thinking because our political leaders are not responsible. Many of them. Until when they see the technocrat misusing, almost need the moral courage.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
All because the rot now echoes one. We are on better. They know the in and out. They know their secret. I know a office of the special prosecutor Enra at court. I say, Mami dapa, Enra anti-apa, ne dying and crying. Any Ghana, Miami Ahudo, baby. Obinka so busy dying you. No. But, you know, Kruma. Say, most market to acquire 20,000.
Akoma FM 87.9.
How many years? Now I bet him the now 4 years. Where see dying by 20, 30. I dying by 5, 6, and yet I get one so. Dying tell kese. The only what we have is resorting to coup. Which none of us is encouraging that. But if we are see at the ordinary, we are vulnerable. No one now. Enra, the generals, the security couples I work Africa, West Africa, ECOWAS, Ebabishai. Now, Oma Seminani said they are going to put the strategies in place. Na ya set up kwan be fa so a ombet start na omohu how the modalities ombeko akwakoshia e wo Niger. And these are the issues we are asking. Na ubisa Ghana for Enra omuni, some of them they we need to udom
87.9 Kumasi.
One more air committee nasi. Na omo kwa and setting up all that. Therefore, join here on Facebook page. I want to build a point to you. Say, uo omeimu. Now the leaders are not thinking about the ordinary. The leaders are always about themselves. Sir. Edumrebia omaino ebo penyinam. Na mepacho tiwi.
The period that I served as the chairman of this committee, at the time that the authority of heads of states and government decided to deploy a stabilization support mission to Guinea-Bissau in response to the attempted coup in that country. With your collective support, determination, and very active engagement, we accomplished the task in a reasonable time frame. Our meetings were held in this very hall, the rest through virtual conferences. Today, peace and stability has been restored, and the ECOWAS mission in Guinea-Bissau is certainly on course. The credit should be given to the ECOWAS Commission and, of course, the work done by the Committee of Chiefs of Defense Staff. I think the Commission and our committee did very well, and we require a pat on the back. So let's appreciate by giving them a round of applause. In the last few months, our committee and our planning officers have met a number of times in Guinea-Bissau and Abuja to discuss various options to deploy the ECOWAS standby force to deal with the scourge of terrorism threatening peace and stability in the sub-region. Whilst due consideration have been ongoing, it has become necessary to expand the scope of discussion to include interventions in unconstitutional change of government in the sub-region. The charge by the authority of heads of states and government to activate the standby force is therefore in order, and it is in furtherance of our ongoing discussions.
Observe, we a Vice Admiral Seth Amwama, our no the Chief of Defense Staff. Now meetings out whatever easy say yaw millions of dollars near Tuagu. Abra ombeya ade ni ye no mama nipa ordinary person mo wo ha obia bra bo be fine no obia nyi obi um say obi kwa akoye cool. This is what we have. Oh maya few are chopping a come dibinum womo ebre are not getting benefit of their sweat. Ena ye tem sika misplaced priority. Ubeko baby Ghana ha for more than 10 years. A kwan omo kwan kra no offend say grade and fast so that. Yet Kromani ye call this area hospital e wo agresum a kwan keke ambulance keke you trust a free hospital okra be Kumasi no e kwan na say ya ma we don't get it. Yet Kromwa and amansie he ya kwabnane ena nsuo twa ogire nsuom udu no ofa wa otoso a 50 cedis utuso a 20 cedis near the wash chire near the watcher wasting money on Bank of Ghana. Individuals are just chopping, and we are wasting all taxpayers' money. Nti omano transia na ye show na horoba na omo hu ni omo ya na omaje panyinan. Omo hu ya show na horoba na omaje on panyinan. And the question will be, what should be the problem? And what is the problem? Me see, obi per 300 Ghana cedis. Just 300 Ghana cedis. Our Ghana ha. And they are set up of a business. Obi a breath for whole year. Ultimate save 5 million Ghana cedis. Our life muda. And so yeah, Juma, but you just market here. Waji loans. From teacher to last person. And ye can no more bunyano brofo akese nanka eden o maya mo ankasa IMF me nananom na papa ya oba he ya obeto aduaja Abraham oso ye nyina de esika kwako ya haircut Akoma FM ama ye nyina ye sika kam mutam over 200 and something million. Oh yeah, the US dollars. Fancy dying. At the time when the nation is in Christ, will be abeka na dabena Ghana ye honchire. After attacking politicians, not civil servant, no more to all, because it is World Bank, it is Bank of Ghana, all because it is Bank of Ghana. And no, Bank of Ghana no. Therefore, a woman sick and a woman turn free you mo. A minimum tax payers money and the time near the Akoma. The ordinary Ghanaian who seek apart from sir the dino cry yes no over 60 billion yatuagu wasted yatuagu ya wasted says can atuagu. So you ask yourself, say, after all, on my way, a dear pa, hey, politicians be the ordinary techno card no so ekokonya ba bia tron obey the watchman no because who say kwabranfo nkwabrane ADB ni ntino ono so kotrase no ADB ubisa wo mo a ne de brofo na awim
Akoma FM 87.
Woni brofo ka wo Ghana utiti se twabuati ntu be bre sa ura Addison se wo papa adwuma no wabie ane ye de watra no se ye na twa wo papa adwuma so na new nuanom nya bi ni a will we be wasting all these monies? Wastage yeah, too good. Poor, we wasting when people are suffering. Now, get me those videos from Amansian and Potemo. They acquire a pro atete. Ghana ni who baby cry. Obekwa kwa sensuanum. Yet Kromwa, ibinum da swani nchie and musio.
87.9 Kumasi.
Ghana for binum nchie and musio. In our part of this country, called northern region, Miami Audua, Nantrie ni Babe Nomina area, and Opana Ghana, Nina Babe Sisa. And we're throwing monies away anyhow. Sir, ECOWAS, I will come to whether we go. Now, no, a Cote d'Ivoire, as a Burkina and Brante ya, or Copamo or more, or fairly say, one more. President Ifrisui. They are all
87.9 Kumasi.
Ensuring say the ordinary Ghanaian never buy and rich ye one in them few touching base, bonding with the people. Yen your way, yen faha. All because the leadership of the country has failed. And yet 1 year when ye cost. Bank of Ghana nti die na muntimi enye obi me say Ghana ni ya wutie ma no pay 5 million e de atop bidie asset up a business obi pe 2 million e de statista share water atoto aton na me ma me e ba be pra e wo kwan ho na bosome so a 180 Ghana cedis elu 2 million eno no ateki 10 months and sign the Tuareka. We are na Bank of Ghana Babe catcher say these things are not priority. Obeka to Kofi say here for because oh yes, and here for because but ye when maybe we can easily solve it. Ye wo maya ye bre we here bubu adokore ye nia. Wo shawata wo material dodo a e wo no. Na wetimi atwa ho of friend say atade. This is a country where nobody thinks and care about anybody. We're wasting taxpayers' money because we are otamwan what the AC dying, we tamwan what the good if we tamwan all in the name say yes sit down na nchobo nimra yentiti bini. The ECOWAS akwa trans na no Niger eba ye ne Niger for ewo ekwan so kasa say 2 Ghanaians and yabo mutu.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
What so? What's Kofi? 2 Ghanaians Niger within the week ya neno on kasa. Abo Ghana for Kofi Jene we Niger 2 of them yabo untu pay ekuom. By Boko Haram omo cars be 8 yashi omo nyina. Listen to some of them.
And at the area will need to have moved Ghana this year, they need to graduate to work on more movie. I have to see cars in the year 5.
Ya bomb trio my cars nibbing so as say
87.9.
Yeah, almost a podcast and about or call almost to my driver maybe maybe I'm Ghana for confirm so movie.
Are they?
And I'm over near Boko Haram food again.
Akoma FM 87.9
Burkina so One more Mokwana, Bukwaram for no Mashika and Bakuba for Kila Nini Mano. And our Mashi Tibako, on a year or my Shika, or Mushi 2 years, driver they will meet today, and I'm Yamana for more. That and Brady,
and all the 5 cars in Ghana 4 car.
All 7 cars in Ghana, 5 cars. 7 in Ghana cars. By others in the report about the one at the Pina, Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi. 7 cars are super incidents in our home.
Hey, this is serious. So for now, for how long are Omaya stuck at the border and comedy in the air? Since when?
Since the one house is a cool next month. I did see a normal block you there 14 days now. Coach you.
And the Ghana 4-2 are more confirmed so more Boko Haram attack or more as a result of some more 10 to a year Burkina Faso. Omu wa hin fan border so.
FM 87.9
Dori. Ba. If you on na omo attack you omo.
Dori
e ko kaya no.
Eno ye Benin to hin fan Benin ne hin fan.
No, Burkina.
Oh, okay.
If you Dori ba. Benin what the omo ndi nyama na e ka ho Benin na asia omo tu egu.
Wow. Nti Burkina Ghana border no so na sisi awe si
omo tu border number reach on the Boko Haram for na dey kwan so afa o bad things na ya kopa be ni omo tu omo tu
Akoma
na wanya any police escort in terms of security bia
as a friend media no anymore. Yeah, Ghana this year no cry a call Ghana embassy or call report to say o money be need for nkasa. Na ti man for na e be ku no mo bi kwa na e mfa nyema na mbra. Na bibi o ho money o mo be ka na o maka no. Ye call ye up to now e na ye refre mo o be pianka ndi piantefi. Na friend media no fa o be o come out escort.
Sisia onion bags I would be saying now aka was over
87.9 Kumasi.
Track na by so far you out of there. I think in the emuna ya shibi no more. E bin shiri o ma tutu egu. Ada se na so atene a ma Kofi nyama na gu ni je hono.
Wow.
So far o mo report to aba me hono no. Ada se ni de nti o mo nke so o mo ti asi se o ma ye.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
So are they wait to us so for the next weeks what implication in the saying the NBC or Ghana?
Oh, yeah,
Akoma FM 87.9
but we will also say Koswa and never be been arrested because only now there is one big company here. Nipa or more. Obakwada market or more between you or more mobility. Yeah, game or more mobility and it's only because Yama Nemba, Nipa and more. Sinyani, Boasi, Bogoso, Tapa, so far, here, or Munina, Mandida, Oba, Munina, Munkia, on the air father, so I don't be Yamano, the do a fire.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Unemployed in the retire more. I think what I can see.
Wow. And muni any idea ebra mo betime de mujene ababe wura Ghana ha.
What you know is this year maybe one out of corner now so.
Nanka omo mo ma intervene di amamu.
You call your teacher and mono. Agri minister office and the Yam Gabriel.
Jane Dudu was saying na Ghana ye crowd free Niger. And apart from Niger, he forgive me Sakra Geneva.
As a dinner, I'm free Niger here. And over 1,000 trucks making the other year. Uber.
Ghana, me bato yeni ankasa so in a percentage say ye kas okay yan kra Niger de ma Ghana yeni abetma fidi e ho Jenny
Why not?
So, I me person within the week in Komaya on the threat of what we are experiencing from Niger. Onions importers omokra jeni free Niger eba yabo mienutuo yasho 2 of their cars on Burkina border so as a result of Boko Haram attack and na me person me ma wote ase. Now Enra following the meeting and then so the ECOWAS security military leaders so because we share beam. The resolution is that we are set to go. Let's put our plans together. Richard Kumado, a fraud and security consultant and a very experienced one about some of this discussion will be made. Senior, good morning.
Morning.
Now we are doing Komo and we weighed a lot of options. In fact, to some of you, it's not the best in terms of security attack for military intervention for now. But the air quality, a camia say all is set. What are we seeing?
Oh, and now predominantly, almost call meeting. Ubekaya now 4 days ago, government of Ghana share Interior and Defense Committee in Parliament. That meeting was to assess the parables. Government officer what does the law say? What are their views? And to me, said now almost call meeting in Obama camp. One of those views beba out. Say yes, yeah. The parliamentarians this was one of the critical issues to consider. Then again, before the meeting, normally ECOWAS of all people the communicate by say they lay ambush of Nigerian soldiers and they kill about 17. And this is one of the things that came up. Then the crucial one, funding. And to Usha only 2 budgetary allocation buyer. A do sata no normal palm journalist for free. Only 2 allocation buyer. One was to build an Africa contingent of about, which will cost them about $1.9 billion. And almost see that is one. The second one was to go for something almost the second option, which is about $33 million. And almost say funding in the free handbag. Individual countries be almost and say they will go for grants or loan and answer West in Ibemomo. And see, that was what they did yesterday. Then they also consider how to mobilize the troops. Because call Niger in military permutations, say Niger was standing army of about 30,000. The appropriate thing is here about 2/3 of that army to be able to be comfortable to go to Niger. And see, then the last one was near FN security economics. How much will it cost you in terms of the whole infrastructure and the movement? Normally the final communicate number say this is the roadmap. And now almost beside one of the topmost guys around them said that Ben Amo called Niger. He was evasive. One can or see a new year secret, but Omuni strategy means Jim this Omu so prepared.
When you is so prepared.
Because on him, the Ghana standing army is just about 16,000.
The entire Ghana,
active army about 16,000.
16,000.
Liberia army is about 3,000, 4,000. Sierra Leone army is about 6,000. Togo, Benin, Cape Oman meeting, Guinea Bissau is about 6,000. Some of these countries are meeting. When Udu Niger, these are the reasons I'm journalists for free meeting and say some of the Cape some countries are meeting in Bomode. But we share the total number, the required number. But my can say the Nigerian army is the strongest in West Africa.
Oh, really?
Yes, the Nigerian army is the only army that is well equipped in West Africa. Ghana army has never been to any war and they have never fought in any strong battle. But the Omo corner is a desert, so they are not going to fight over Odo River. They'll take you to the desert. And see, the Nigerian army, the standing army alone is about 20,000. Normal was defensive forces, before so more special forces. Guy no yeah coup d'etat no. So yeah special force in it.
Yeah.
Now Oko Sahel regional. He is like the big brother to all the special forces that within that area. So he's a big boy. But we are looking at the quality of the armies in West Africa below.
But Niger population is just about 25 million.
Exactly.
And 25 million, they almost about 20,000 military personnel, right?
Okay, and my memo a little bit history. On say colonization created problem in Africa. This is one of the reasons. British in France for chair. And the already passed Cameroon, which is the French, and already Niger side is Sumom, and almost far Nigeria, and the other side of Cameroon, and you got Cameroon more English speaking and the French speaking. But truly speaking, as you say, Ukraine, yeah, say Ukraine and Russia, yeah, the same country.
Yeah.
And the Kremlin was where you have the naval and all the warships of Russia. Kremlin now, when we see 2014, Putin went and took it. It's not that they took it to. That is where they have all their military stuff in the same country. Niger is part of Nigeria, technically speaking. And the guys know what top on. You form the 3 Ks: Kaduna, Kano, and Katrina. They are all Hausa people. Niger people are their people. And now, Nigeria, there's that allegation say most of their top guys no move it up. No, they are all Nigerians and they are not Nigerians. And so someone who said, it is playing out, the politics is playing out now in our face. Say, who shared Niger? How can that country have, apart from Nigeria, the biggest army in Africa, in West Africa, and the strongest? Because Hausa man doesn't kill Hausa man. When you go to Nigerian army, they are about 40 to 45% of the army people we are Hausa for. Uko Guinea, they are about 60%. Uko Niger, before we call chat at the downside. And this one, so I am bomb fire, the Christian council, I'm sorry, Pentecostal council, I'm sorry, nobody religion, shema. It's not going to be just a war walking about, but to the Hausa who will not allow you to cross Hausa. And now your church so say, Ghana, you either fight your way through Burkina Faso, or you go and start from Lagos, now I call Kaduna. Now that is where they close the border. America lady no do her, just say you can go inside. And the Boko Haram in Tongo, Sa Kaduna ho. Almost fight Boko Haram, you know. They are someone to me and they were Niger because Air Force Ghana for Ghana Air Force plane. I don't think we even have some. And who are our Air Force pilots? Almost was that land to missile now at me dropping planes, you know. And to me, other day now only make us say no now I'm having maintenance, not complexity is near a bit some way. But I'm just painting some of the lesser pictures in the mouth to understand the nature of the adventure we want to go and get involved in.
Now, Nigeria the highest number of military, population, a part of this intervention. You are saying, Niger, a part of Nigeria, predominantly, and I say basic technically. And Tanzania, they have advantage of, through Nigeria thereon.
No, say a border. It is say you need to go border now. Every apply to the north, no. And it is some blocky border. Now, him says about the coastal. Cote d'Ivoire army is stronger than Ghana army. Ghana army is stronger than Nigeria army. Akoma, so we because mostly Ghana army, no, because of the nature of the army we have. And see, now it's a corner risk assessment. Means there's a higher, very strong young cop. We will know that. Now, Ghana army now, for more training. Guys, me call Supreme Court said training here doing too much. You guys ask them.
Yeah.
Is this an army? Is this an army? You are going to meet special forces. Mikaipa, is it my big brother? Global Latin time, and now almost institute special forces. After President Kufuor collapsed the commando unit, I yet no more US. Most of your strong guys, they went and look for green card and join the American Army. So chunk of your rare commandos now you throw them like guerrilla warfare guys. Most of them call it before President Lawrence left power. Plenty of them has left. By our security special forces now, they have never taken care of them. I'm sure they've all gone. Soldiers are Kobiena, Mime Kobiena, before Soviet Kobiena exam. Now I fire call Kakum Park. So I walk when I so scary. No, Ubaya, and when did a whole lot of you go to Asutari and all that. Soldiers are far more. Odu call training, I almost training here, did too much, and see. Call Supreme Court them.
87.9.
These are the truth. And see, the truth of the matter says, Cote d'Ivoire Army is stronger than Ghana Army. Ghana Army is stronger than Nigeria Army. And I said, Boko Haram guys, make round to me by Lagos, by the year operational. Nigeria Army has no clue. And
wow, I see.
Yes, Boko Haram, they hit Abuja, capital town, and Kasa. They hit Abuja capital town, almost hitting Nigeria, HTT. About 6 other places. It's like Kumasi Hot. Now, my minister said, me as I walk Kumasi, go and check the Kumasi Barra. You've sold all the land. It's today, Baba yet and you denigrate your army. You are not serious as a nation. And to your point, say, your army, you see, this army you have, they are our brothers. We love them for whoever they are. We love them. I love army. I will make sure my boys go to army.
But people will tell you that, I mean, from a bit security and understanding, Ghana's army are very strong in the jungle warfare, on grounds work and those things. I mean, when was
the last time they fought? Anytime they go to peacekeeping, they don't fight. They go and come. Now, only the police force we have right now, the counter-terrorism force. One of the guys who is leading it, Dr. Babeshofa, and it has weakened them again. Other than that, our department, I can yet is commando special forces because we call Egypt, we call France, so to train them. That time now you see terrorism, Babe attack here, National Security Minister, Casa Minister. It was a well trained. They have a place at various places in Ghana and military training, but training here highly international standard. They say you know almost 50 problem among everything we do, we mess it up. But they are never do a high count and let me come because so many children are asking me, Uncle Rich, are we ready to go? Will Accra more be safe? Will Kumasi more be safe? So your guy woke me out of sleep and I was crying. That is why I'm opening up.
I will come to the implication eventually, but I want us to look at the technical and the tactical approach and how strong we are. What this counter said, and yeah, that's strong and fit for people.
About Ofa Cote d'Ivoire guys, no far Mali. Now Ofa Nigerians, no podium, almost the military accoutrements about Niger that almost. Almost can say no plane should move. Send Nigeria helicopter for it. They took it down. Land to air missile. To kill helicopter and then kill everybody there. American Deputy Secretary in Blue Border, Kaduna, you can't say you are not going. They are Hausa people. They say you are not going. She returned. Those guys are Mamika and Anukacha for the first time. Those guys are stronger. I am bread and butter. It will not going to be a walkover. They will pay us for our money.
As we speak, here was the Chief of Staff of the former administration, Waba Ghana, Abesiki Refuge. What are the talks? ECOWAS and Niger following ECOWAS supposed preparation and then Wama started Aduanaba Ghana. What are the talks? What are the Nigerians saying? Both the military, the civilians. What must I say?
There were 3 things in security intelligence. One, your friend, invasiveness. And the invasiveness is me back once, me back to the hard, me back Kofi. first assignment me can Nsem Baba Kofi, but Ebiana, I will not tell you the real reason. And this evening, say Ebiana, my sister Mami was shopping mall, me person of home, and she my Johnny Baba Shemo. Now my UC cover story, and the second one here cover story. My UC cover story say, I'm just in Kumasi and I wanted to come and see you people in the studio. Third one here, entrapment. How to escape an entrapment. And see, entrapment in say, men, I'm everywhere. I'll be able to say, Ricky, come on, don't me fast taxi, and me see, and I'm a push her. Because I'm not for being who say, I'm Mama, 3 reasons. Me name which of these ones are anything or what gonna have. By insecurity intelligence, you don't trust anybody. You trust, but you verify. Yeah.
I see. So, as to say, or chief of staff Abe Ghana Hano, we should verify and confirm the real mission. Why Ghana?
Surveillance better other military intelligence better and as a surveillance better.
No, but from Niger, why Ghana? Not any other neighboring countries.
And I'm for the raise the concern. The current chairman of ECOWAS in Nigeria, and I didn't know my meeting now for Nigeria. And I'm catch almost the previous one here Ghana, and the previous ECOWAS chairman here Ghana, and in solidarity with in Nigeria, and in a meeting in Bahano. Now, yeah, caught conflict way because of the solidarity of Nigeria again. Other than that, know what other side no, on the coast. Guinea can who coast because as I say, guys need now diversity on my route now for Guinea.
Yeah.
And see, yeah, the mouse throws up the soldier or yeah, danger bad because I know I yes and wrong move via trouble there on his head. Then I know what other side no, or no so because was that constitution to the third term or the Laurent Gbagbo issue.
That is Cote d'Ivoire.
Burkina Burkina guys need wanted power, and so best will say he released most of his people. Upon we are saying any army, and we are not interested. But then again, security risk assessment. It is part of it, but I watered it down for them. And so now we are meeting no Obama camp. Omonya Kama Generals we are no man can say this is what they have done. But we are in Omaya meeting no Bema camp. In terms of national risks, no, yeah, really Banika Vienna for they shouldn't be sleeping in their houses.
Oh, really? For them hosting a meeting in Ghana, Hano.
Time now Liberia alone is in course. Now was a small boy in the Vienna, one of the very tough ones, smart, great ones. Forgive me that I'm talking about myself.
You have to. I mean,
one of them, Fakotoka, and the whole world was looking for that person. And she, Nyame the idea be a me see where who call a heaven and come. No.
I see.
And I'm very smart in about 3 things for Ghana. Very, very smart. I've been in up to today. One has died. We are only 2 who can do that in properly. The whole country.
Wow.
And I can't tell my boss, and they said, "This is the guy you are looking for. This is the guy. This is the guy." We tried about 20 times. I was even crying. I said, "This is the guy," because now you was assignment for a long time, and they were threatening and said, "We are going to be sacked," and our heads will go off, heads will roll, and that thing. I said, no. This is the guy. From where I come from the God I serve, this is the guy. My boss didn't take it seriously. And the guy escaped through the fingertips.
Wow.
And the problem with Ghana and some other places. And to me, these are live things. We want to tell our grandchildren when we die and they are burying us. But it is well.
Yeah, well, Niger for Dodona, is it a Fulani, Zana, Omo, Eba, Ghana? So how would they cross all the borders? And because Ghana, Niger, this is how far Burkina and Sana Wababidu. So is it that easy? Sebase, Ntokwa Kusia, the influence and the excesses. Ghana, how badly will we be affected?
So say economists no, and she start top now, mama, 3 top no, Kaduna, Kano, Katrina, Katrina. Somewhere I was a Fulani for.
Yeah.
Omunya no mo na wo ni je no Sanusi former Nigeria economic and no okoye no ya be border ni man they are family people former Nigeria president the same family and omo down street na work card ni Guinea no and they have the same link to Burkina Faso and yeah the other issue na ya Burkina Faso there Guinea the NC the former ECOWAS chairman Mamu sanctions get away. So say omunyama na ya undefa tamano omo divert for Guinea.
Okay.
Omo divert for. And she say omo na Benin enema point to Niger. Benin suba be kan ye ho for the sanctions. No omo divert ni for Guinea. And she say the Sahel region boys name for me some Sahel economy war and omo hia Guinea port no. And she omo divert for ye. See, Algeria Baba come home and geopolitics wise, so Algeria was porter, almost the name on the other side of Algeria by because of solidarity. So Algeria and France war, assembly brave, almost the best part of war. And it's all said, yeah, you walk downstream, they will cut us off. Now, top near more hotter in terms of Sahara Desert, you're hotter. It's almost only a full and Awuza people, they don't drink water. They are deadly to fight and kill yourself. Please,
wow,
young person, Asante person, keep on eating your fufu and don't go and trigger something your backbone is not strong to fight. And then I can say when you are going to fight somebody, me was sister Akoma say your friend mommy, you ask yourself 3 questions. Only one na koku, only mommy na koku. Okay, then kina monku. Now mama baba can say I don't want to resolve the issue move go forward. Now what the sound say why are you fighting in whose interest and see, because of outsider now mutu now muye family from childhood no you are fighting mommy and my sister no wa ni mommy and the father took care of me so she's my Asante sister in Kumasi. Anytime I come I go to their house so your parents will look at you and say money answer. The point I'm making is anytime you want to fight, ask yourself 3 things. Who are you fighting? What are you fighting for? And in whose interest? Yeah, can. We are struggling to bring in the religious side, but we are the same thing. And you shouldn't take them. Of course, the Bilahwa, Sega overflow from Burkina Faso. Somewhere, the Keji community knows Zibilaho.
Yeah.
They are the same family. And to one share, yeah. Mapusi, Kusase, now also about the Kanzibila for her. You don't know how it's going to play out. The fear is when you overflow, it will come downstairs. And I said bad downstairs, I mean, I'm closer to the sea. We don't want me the best. I bet you all before I bet you.
The overflow by Asante region cry and son about the greater Accra.
Everybody now are fucking who enter the sea and won't come again. Yeah, cocky red now because what to mean call Togo, what to mean call Benin, what to mean call Cote d'Ivoire. It's not safe. Cote d'Ivoire is not safe. Togo is not safe. Benin is not safe. Nigeria is not safe. So maybe you enter the sea and don't come again, or you go to Quebec or Guinea. The dynamics is not right. Yeah, can say you can go, but technically the position is weak. Financially, unisikano. Ability, because in army again, central. In army, 2 things comes up. You can have capacity building, but you are not capable. Capable means you are sure that we are going to call welfare, warfare, and all that. But machines now, the Bekono, only and the Bakako yet is Ukrainian. Yakako Momu training war, Western Europe, Omania training, you all right. But Western machines now, they don't know how to use it. It's now you Russia find an advantage. Almost more flights, almost more machines, almost more this, but technical wise, then the second one here, you can be prepared, but you are not ready. Ready means we soldiers, are they psychologically ready? Are they socially ready? Are they financially ready? Are they medically ready? Are they ready to go to warfare, fire for fire? So we are not peacekeeping, fire for fire. Those are the things you look like. But I can understand that they sign up to kill and to be killed. But let's spare them this agony, please.
Now, finally, I want to get this understanding. Where any say Sierra Leone DAC and Liberia they are internally nobody has even died in Niger. And if they are going to attack, how will it happen? They will have to. What will be the modus operandi? I want to get the understanding.
Okay, say Ghana who is going on offensive. Basically, Nigeria and offensive. And I say, I can say other parts of ECOWAS need a offensive. And see, who share the efforts of Russia, Ukraine. Say Russia and offensive, and I say other countries are offensive.
Yeah.
If ECOWAS is going offensive, the Nigerians will wait for us to come.
Okay.
No, they will not attack us. They will wait for us to come. And the question I have is, where do we launch? In terms of Ghana, the NIPA 10,000 aircore, and I said, yes, NIPA 10,000. Yeah, they acquire 4,000, 2,000, 4,000.
Wow.
Because you're standing by near 16,000. And so what the core, certificate, almost fight their way through Burkina Faso and now plane a call, almost fast ship, no, and yes, ship. And here they are no more for plane a call Lagos. No more for food. Say France need US drum tanks, no more for tanks, now for her for pure Kaduna. Because say Hona Niger border no war. Now Sahel border, now to say Togo border every the south to the very top, no. And say, where will you pass? And where will you pitch your camp? One of the critical questions I am beside that no man provide the answers. No? Because I can Burkina Faso and crossing the border now can be boa. But some say Burkina, Mali, Niger, they open the border to themselves. So Guinea there was south, but the other side the Chad the Kwaba the boa. And to who the far top Algeria ni wo, who the far eastern side you meet Chad. Ubano from the upper side of Nigeria, that is the downside of Niger. Now, almost him say, honey, you're closer to Nigeria, and see, the Nigerian army will get water to drink, and see, they will ask them to come a little bit up to the northern side of the desert, you know, a honor must strength war. And so, what they will do is that they will settle you. Who military training your mouth, also call Supreme Court. Have you walked in the desert before? You'll be so vulnerable. Unless America and France give them some long-range missiles, be number one Nigeria, not almost shoot Yakwa, and never kill a civilian. Now, Sabanisana, me bomb pass and Kobanisa. Sabanisana, almost fast roar, almost 2 Ababa Abuja. And I said, if you go down to Lagos, because first stop where you're Munianumu, Boko Haram boys, and it's a fafra, I was half one. Now, yeah, lucky, normally religion, blame, normally it's a Christian versus Muslim war. And all of them at the top, they will come and join them. We are dead.
So the thing will escalate beyond, say, a restore democracy to become a different thing.
Keeping a fight. Now, fight, it's not going to be bread and butter. And as I will talk no, a face-to-face fight. And that fight, when you take off the guy or the president, better to be on. So no, a committee treason. And you sanity.
Okay.
And no, next Nigeria is going to be at war for a very long time. South Sudan, original Sudan, who follow that story and say, war, Africa, ECOWAS, the other guy now, he joined the Northern Sudan guy, no maternity. And so maternity in a trouble is starting here, until say, man, South Sudan for the freedom to leave them. Nigeria back for yes, because if you keep their leader, who are you, president, no, every day they are bomb, baby.
So, in all discussion, not just idea we create here. This
no, and I can say, our president is showing solidarity to Nimian or Nigeria. The Nimian is no war Nigerian. We let in a call petition. We let your certification in Krano. A call petition. Yeah, but the man judgment in some few days or some few weeks. Wow, can say the judgment now call in favor. Oh, man, one particular candidate and call. Now, only way you see a Democrat. Oh, man, I dare we are already ECOWAS Akoma in inside them. You are creating problem. And see, some call war way now. The guy is no more the president of ECOWAS. Then I'm here. It will turn into a community civil war. Na ya crowd and say, ya bomb pants are your fasting in Africa, ya peja ya kakra. We are coming up. People are developing businesses, radio, TV, we are just coming up gradually. Ya bomb pants and we'll get another oil and gold and then come up. No matter for 5 years we are. And now, almost meeting. One of the things that appear meeting is a security chief named Kasado. Almost see, we are not going to war, but we are just assessing your ECOWAS for your capability. Civilians, military for your politicians, need to farm might. He should have gone to the front line. He has never fought a war in his life. Look at him or look at her. He's a politician. Look at the things he's saying. He doesn't even understand it.
Wow.
But because you send an army, it is a civilian who declare war and you have to go. But yeah, sometimes they too they must go to do some of those wars and understand. War is not something you go and you might come with your 2 legs or 2 hands or whatever. You even die, nobody will mind you. And see, when the war is not so eminent, yeah, now I yourself for Katra.
If it is a war, the other one who say I'm fighting to die.
For something, if some amount example, my sister Mami walk say, Mama baby say Richard, we know sister, why are you fighting? Now then and she can't you guys come home and let's resolve it. And I want to more put away. Mubanya demo. You see, you know, if your parents speak to you that way in the middle of the night, you look stupid, Abby. Yeah, teaching warfare from so many years. You grown up, 40 something. You are fighting. What are you fighting for? And in whose interest? No. You have no basis. And you know, non-alignment. Sometimes, my technical advice, okay. They will fear some class. You're okay. Yeah, no one can say. Yeah, we. But mommy can't all that truth in the mouth. Tell me, can say almost call for dialogue. I want to call for dialogue because I call dialogue ability to negotiation. Now, by negotiation, you need to put something on the paper. I want him to share back to paper. And almost call for dialogue. The boys will speak to them like, "Oh, we are big boys." Now we used to back and we are big boys, and they don't want that face-to-face dialogue with the boys. Now, boys, in the back can say, "You are coming for dialogue." Yeah, we speak frankly. Now, about that will be negotiation. What are you bringing on board? But everyone can say, yeah, yes, we are Costco, Oxford, Cambridge, yeah, conflict resolution, the brave. Now, your name say, a coup d'etat occur to that nature, threatening the whole of West Africa. The best thing is, you negotiate these boys out of what Nyamana or Yanana. You have to negotiate them out. They can another history trail.
Okay.
Rollins time, Rollins will hold on power in this man. One who said the Queen of England Bagana. One who said Clinton Bagana.
Yeah.
Almost because they love us and they laugh at the Rollins. No, you touch ground and you soften the ground. Ubekaya Rollins is in the first position. I saw your envoy to UN, Anna.
Yeah.
Yeah, now I'm for real. You guys, we don't really need pay in this country. You negotiate your way with them to slow down power.
Osha young guys are take over the government. Niger gentleman, I think in his 60s or so. But Burkina, the young guy is just about 34 years, and the Mboya and so a very young guy. Several of them are a young guy. What is the mindset? Is it Africa? Kwalana ye who sent penny for na di hwamana.
That's how I own him, Kofi. Don't you know? the struggle you went to in Israel when they were building that KGC, we can say your mouth shop back.
Oh, my view. Hey, that
my mouth shop.
Rich, any idea what's that for? You are in security, I am. You still remember all those days?
I do what we call political governance and political security risk assessment. Any other to be, and no, we pass to the American self. Someone mouth shop, maybe. And then go also open shop. Now one more say who is this guy? Or open shop about the head. Now politicians be appear say no share KJTI so that whole lot of. Didn't know the way to be. I'm Kofi sir Kojo Bonso. And some of those your guys. And the truth of the matter is that these old boys they have wasted everybody's time. The young boys are energetic now. 1% take Europe and go. Also, Obama mobile by the age of 45 thereabouts. Sarkozy mobile by the age of 47. Some other people came about 32, 34 thereabouts. Now you claim. Now you go and reform your foundations. Begin to help people. You can write books and make money. You can offer advice and all that. But see, you are too old. One I want to say Uganda, me bad boy, you know, you're the head of army, no.
Yeah.
And she's like father and son ruling. I'm not for say cool is Guinea. Guinea, they are not cool. Guy now or take you over no. Any Anthony president, you know. And Anthony was afraid of the other guys. I was deal bad pan. And he hand over to the nephew and say, go and see the why you're cool. Guy now you see. He has done no one say not the presidential palace. Oh, your man is any doctor did ya. You see, I cannot in some international meetings, no, he represents Guinea. Obi I see I am a Guinea free. Now, your minister can say your father Niger Guinea president hostage is becoming something. You are not understanding geopolitics.
Richard Komodo, I'll pay more.
God bless you. Thank you.
Very powerful education out there. And therefore, this is what you need to know. I mean, and I don't pay if you are doing Oshe Kruma and Alpha Krum, now he said, yeah, Mananti Krukra, son in Yamanema, Ninaman in your Omoya. Nobody would have to wish for some of these military interventions or a big memo, and the repercussion will be so high and dire. And on Komo NIED and what Richard Komado, a very powerful security discussion on Facebook page. Several of the messages about Kofi, good morning. Once again, I really like the interview. African has suffered much in history and should not suffer any longer. In history was through our leaders and now again Africa leadership. Oyibo and the behind the ordinary about teacher Kuju. NDC has no authority. My brother, Yenny Abre, you also did the NDC. This is a Tia Azaminali. Good morning, Mr. Hose. We all need Dr. Well, we're going now. Sir John Bosu, the whole idea of Akufo-Addo and Tinubu is to create more windows and widows and widowers. Okay, in ECOWAS region because they themselves will soon be widows. Oh, my brother. Kudos to Honorable Kinsley Newman and coming MP for Fantakwa. Ohene Kofi Ennin Sodne Diaba. Good news, MP Kimbekes. We good citizens of Ghana support you, Domahene. I think I support Domahene. Kofi, I'm not eating this morning, no. My brother, Kafrawati, it's kind of a mouthful will be dasso. And so you are not eating. Stephen Boache. And so they are Abano. Right, and now Jam Boama watching you live from Obuase. My greeting goes to Chief Alan Kojo Chamat. Hey, Jam Boama, now that's why a serial caller. Faustina Osebunsu, good morning, good job, my brother. Francisca, I really love the boldness of Domahene. Francisca Labi, thanks for the sound. Okay, Brakofi, good morning. Happy anniversary, Akoma FM. Francisca, okay, so there was no sound. Wow. Interesting. Right. So, and one of the biggest story, and so as a Ghana, silence on, and it appears that everybody is not talking about it. It's an interesting approach to these country. Na obehwe no na obiara yi nani ede ama wo mo. Obehwe no obiara yi nani ede ama wo mo. Obehwe no obiara yi nani ede ama wo mo. Na ubisa and I'm in Okase for almost 2 to 3 weeks. SITAC was strike. Chase ubia enka ho hwe na mamenkwa amasona me ne ora pomensa ono ewo Selui ono SITAC member ewo. Opening good morning.
87.9 Kumasi.
Good morning.
Okay, Kofi Asante ni Akoma FM yeda ase anope. Se bibia boko.
No, that is not
May I well say you've been on strike for some time now. Abayne mo wi nkomo nyina ma mo return to classroom.
But that Kenya returning.
So since when Amo started more strike yeah abayne still on mo kan hwi.
So yeah strike they declare strike on 31st July and effective date here 1st August. And since then, that's it here in
and then 18th, it is 18 days in an among call school. And Kuala me always sent your number to exams. And they are even on course writing exams. Under no supervision of lecturers.
No supervision of
lecturers
and lecturers, but by teaching staff and at the first cycle.
Okay.
Management, FR, on teaching staff and more conduct examination.
May I well say on exams time maybe some questions, typo mistakes, any clarity be. So what happens? And Rebasa Mwede.
The colleges of education. You have been mentored by
the various universities.
And the various universities. So what happens is that various universities run a certain questions number. Of course, teachers now, work colleges now, set questions, no preference. They are questions, so they have the question bank. Almost select someone reaching out on the back colleges for the exams to be done. What happens is that more the questions in the back. Now, but in this case, they have adopted the non-teaching staff in.
So, Yamra the core issue. The entire Moko strike.
And same degree, it's free, be na a true summary. But it tells someone said, I do maybe no your family conditions of service. Lecturer said, I do not weigh any risk, I won't home, and now extra work, I will be now your mom allowance. Now, allowance is if you are a tanker, it's free up to 2017 to 2020. Now, conditions of service or employer any change in our case in our buying it. Now, I feel that in buying and the bono, yes, we need to go to the year. Obama did different compensation. Where did the Kaka? You know, a period about 4 years now, buying and 2021, my compensation. On crown, not an answer the canon, the whole strike. It's now 2021, so the Bayer renegotiation for conditions of service. One, your call, and also your born, Becca lies here, strike me right. And it is your open one, and said, you can't even be a man who see you, like National Labor Commission praying. And yet, not. You could see, and said, a buying and said, input 2021, now, we need a hodina or the picture of negotiate taking effect 2022. Yeah, can 2022 there's a buying to implement and so by 2023 appeal and this year. na yaka bibia yi ni so de bɛyɛ adwuma no aso na obɛka akɔyɛ wɔkye bidi enti yɛne national labor commission ɛne pɛwogi central commission trase no na ekuta ne sɛ 2023 deɛ aban esi otua aman na ɔno na 2023 deɛ so a esi otua no so ɛbɛfiri ne yɛne okasa yi enti wo ha yɛtwena saa de no kɔ national labor commission a ɔmo deɛ ɔmo na ɛka ɛbasa sikasɛm yɛ aban anaa employer bia ne employee sikasɛm a ɔna ɛka ma ne hyɛ aban sɛ ontua esika no ma yɛn bia yɛyɛ sɛm so kodu yɛne ne ɛtena ase negotiate kodu ontua from January ɔno na still a ontua nti wɔha no yɛsɛ ɛbɔ aban yɛkyɛ sɛ ya ni ko awiye ita da ya bosun ya kace bosun kace na won tuya ya ona ampa so kwan tuya e ma sai so des e ya bosun yi da di kan ya beti di no magu se ya de wako court when Canada because National Labor Commission or more court to na court actually city na won tuya na the plan na ko to city project as a broker. I said, what was not quotation say I did not go to the year. So, I'm a name of Google.
And since on the 1st of this month here, Mostati, you just said, sir, a binary on transit. Is it the case, sir? The meeting and concluded and are not even invitation at all.
Abayne de oni international de tiene se National Labor Commission corona afraid ema ye post strike no the employer ediko National Labor Commission say amon fry e san say ya tie na ye tie tie no eni emrem na ye ka ni emrem so yi National Labor Commission be tima ka ampa drug we are we ko ene wo emrem na eni emrem enti amon fry e the person say share wo mu na kanene e ukwada na share ye no ye ko si ane say National Labor Commission asa che aban ne say aban na bu na ni tia e san say de emra ye o share no o share o de ma no e free emra e share o me no oni so into asa share ne say ne ma ye hia no nyina onye ma ye na de mum ye kan say e bi asi bebre aye kwa o kan o na no be ye no ye into ye kan say you nya evidence that America akati anko America hu nyina bibi na ma yin hu te ampa obusia dia ene yinku enko on strike na the tell you fema aye ya condition of service allowance that you can aban do free ono ani pim also be 2023 eba no ono e ba ko ana hima last year 2022 said the academic calendar next year no college of education and no yeah teachers can go break akwa overlap system level na level ko to 2022 na ya Akoma and also aban National Labor Commission said me 15 days that was 3 weeks by 15 working days into na teacher media and 15 working days.
Okay.
Na young pan recover.
Okay.
And so as I said, you might have last year. On top of Bia Bushia Katia back, a man. Also, I come home. If you are near my Ibusan, a dose. And I saw calendar now. Okay, you have to see our own work. Yes, he is here on the view. Almost no. And time you move in the poor farmer, you can say, I buy no.
So as we speak, discussions are still inconclusive, and about it, sir, the buying more idea to return.
Okay, thank you. We don't and can hear discussion and negotiation because one of them they are trying.
Okay.
You want to say I buy the pen up from you?
No, Odin a boss so.
No. It's the idea I said me. That was me. Can you now put me so and I won't say yeah. I need to have by need the validation. Actually, 20th, 21st, going up to 23rd before Bedina. I find it your validation Obama or when I validate you say Ampa. Now we're doing Jinka. Then said that the other course one. Now, yes, you
Is it a case after all for now, Kalana cry exams, and to your presence in school and you needed in Tina or you're reluctant so no movie in Komoyana?
The can say, is that a treat you? It's not connected over.
Okay.
And you say level 301 and a year, and level 104 almost a more continue the studies a course or a course, a thank a course. Only the movie on the exams, Yennipo. 300 a year. You know, because the 300 every year, and Tomokoya level 200 for us have been ever to us. And it's not breaking here, and the town in a break. You can wait than another level. It's free diploma bear degree, you know, 4 years. Can you not have diploma then 3 years? Final year, 10 years, sometimes you're more out. And you have maybe 2 cohorts, first and second years in our campus. But you see, on our 4 levels, and the infrastructure is being a camp, and the accommodate 2 million. And the general say, we will buy America, half of the semester. So, we and the China acquire and the other overlapping, we move free back. And the accommodate and could be there was 300 fire, no customer transfer. Omokoya, over. Omomrano almost won't come in the canal level 100 for level 400 for service. And here can say 300 for it, and I level 100, but I think that's from
Implication and saying, say, a Twaswana Bayan Fimonamosumutifia. To what period and the Bebasa you close down the school totally?
Yes, exactly. Because and I said, close so far.
Senior, Olano mo breaky. I don't know if you can reposition yourself.
Hello.
Yes, I feel it. Okay.
Okay. And the American say a bus and students look here. Education is here very, very dire because the next stage where we are big adjustment, they continue throughout up to the day. It will be another 4 sessions, not a year of free school because of their striking now. You need a very big adjustment. Can you never think only the young, we have to be my adjustment then? But what will happen is that the students lose.
That means that Cecia, are you for so running double track now?
More or less, I use double track, but sana quiet.
A shift system.
And to remove back a crash, so if you are level 104, if you don't become a more normal 14 weeks, and you can just job and go on 14 now. If you don't have no more to second years, about to Africa. If you almost enter half or no, they have a son of Mama. The sana resistant for you.
Is it because of a lack of resources in Tina and Kualana? Yes, yenya 1, 2, 3 na and together. And I said,
that is it 1 to 4, 100 to level 400. Because suddenly, kill person. First, I made diploma time with you, and 2 cohorts, 2 groups, 2 levels, and at eligible time more campus that was 300 out for internship. But I didn't know level 100, 200, 300 plus 400. And infrastructure now order than one. It's first 2 levels that occupy various course and then 4 levels. Just first semester and level 400 for school according to internship. I put a full year and 1 semester, which implies the second semester we are all supposed to be on campus, but the infrastructure is really community, and I'm a system.
Senior, I am now a Sianope. We are grateful. Hi, Akoma 87.9 FM. We need Aduanaba Kofi Asante way. Penia or St. Louis College of Education or a member of CITAD, Paul Mensa and I'm attaining kind of higher Akoma 87.9 FM. Can join us on Facebook page now or a part of the discussion. Debbie, we'll take near discussion issue.
Kofi, me that's my mention and mention for so. I just say earlier there's security issue now rising for a very long time, and the way and manner omomunim de ewo bambo ho se me won Ghana over this ECOWAS issues now say I said aban so yi nani no. It is becoming more dangerous. So if someone see the experts no more imagine say okay they have the men, so let's support them as if for you asked a very intelligent question. Say, I mean, so yes, almost a mumpehini, omotuno, man house arrest, while causing reasonable offenses in Nasifo. This is Ghana, yes, the troop Nico, the soldiers for Nico, day. What are they going to do? And Kofi, this is one of those issues that raise a lot of concerns. And I feel say, yes, say bit me the fear some man and Kebeboy. Say be ya encofa any other implication be from every because mind you say we are surrounded with these people. Yeah, Ghana baby a channel. You near Konya be a bit me to two the Western countries. Yeah, the neighboring countries are more and almost sooner as I'm not to. And these are the same security couples one Ghana say. Let us not even dare say best send your troops in the course. We should also be mindful that the Western world they are very interested in here. I say ABC war Niger. They say yeah na ye koye who say oh yes ye wo many be omo konto kwa chentie for mo konto kwa. It na so and it will be very dangerous for our system, especially sisi na yeso de man shedan ko yie maye no. E de ba be basa e ne ma be say. Inti omunye very mindful. Me ban security I don't want to talk too much about security because what we have about case bi na akwa dane obi ayem hwehwe and what we have about case bi na akwa fa issues for fraud there, but so may it will be better say omunyi na better say they will dialogue, put heads together. No more fight, no more say no, this is the way to go, this is the approach. But no more for political reasoning. Na chinchina try no more no mudi and no go fast and papa bi farmer. And secondly, about strike no more kono. I wish said there would not be any strike action. I sincerely wish. But if you hear the posture of the government now, bibi anyone more say iskani ho. Bibi anyone more say iskani ho. It is a Kobasa institution be an organization be as a more cost striker. Oh yes, okay, be my buying a crown. I dear buying bay no. Now so form. I bind the bachelor says the cow. Now if I know if I'm more in this abandoned some more cost strikers, so now I say, okay, fine, Mom call that by the to your mwasem. But interestingly, I mean, say we are not in normal times, we are in a very difficult situation. Sikane wo individuals be honomo, but I buy no as a whole in this sika. Because Kofi, just imagine a small organization like Bank of Ghana, loses $60 billion Ghana cedis, which is equivalent to about $5.3 billion. A switch is Sky Kojen or IMF, a switch is Ghana Yinako Kojen or IMF say, the Babe boy Hobra. And we are not because security ho into people or more render valuable service or more numsu or pa. Kofi as a old boy abromusu. Which is absolutely not the right thing to do. Abano, I don't know. Minim the intention I want to do, but it looks like as obubu na nyegu na so wode ma bebre ho. In as much as o ka say who this can. Ye hu a aduane a wudi no peche. Who be so say ye nkopɛ kwenkwen bi ni. Wo didi ma wo peche nyeme sisi ho drinks sisi ho ne mo massage ko wudi ana mani miamia ko wudi ana just aduane esi wani mu awudi no enye aduane keto we are say chale mo ekomo mo skani ho ntimo de mo nkoko yesi eba ne say ya o sheti mamu ni nabufuo. And that is the reason why Kofi yina ye hu say ye necessary for ni two kwan pa no, because we share the differences the differences in Akatria woman na it is so huge. And eba de sana ohwe politician ni de na politician na o teacher ni ojai teacher na kokoye politician anyame adwa kokoye MP as you see or no je more than 10 times or 20 times the salary of an ordinary teacher no e ba ne say no hwe di say na me have me what's higher day. And that is what is going on. And that is the level of education amanyofo na dia matimamufo any various various institutional work no. E hardware. Abano person sustaining it gains pay attention to some of these things. Ya said the labor minister Ignatius Bafo on na ya na pressure will call us na or no negotiate on behalf of the government. But in as much as all these things are concerned, Kofi Ghana sika wa ha. Yes, can be waha. Omumia de nimuna economy nema enkoyi because one enche bia moto petrol mo masanso to mubi. The same salary na nipa kroneje. Ti se nije ntokwa ma ti se jenebu akosoro.
Ejenebu ebimpo mabiem.
Ti se jenebu akosoro.
Se onim se mo from the international front ekosoro.
Yes.
Emo abrofomo no. Ghana de anu so ba from kakra.
Because you be prepared so obeti sanse mo bi. Oh, because of Niger ntokwa Niger community. Ti se jene kra bo ayede. Jene kra mabiem ne nasefo. And these are some of these excuses abane de ma yede bia which is very very unpardonable. Because there were all the resources able to make good use of it. You decided say you broni there. You decided say you pay your there, you pay my whole also for there. So issues like this say a Kobasa institution be an address or take in a move be Abano should rather sit them down on among Kenya Sasem. But
JB and yenche etifo ade yema wo mo cash out
Kofi a very necessary
especially and the 4th anniversary celebration of Akoma FM.
Yes,
exactly 9 o'clock celebration no baso forecourt where chese
also mo shishim video
na therefore we need to thank yen listeners. Nti JB obi an starting on to
yes
and then me nipa be 15 ska.
Oh, sir.
Yes, and I'll share money 15. And to be on to star 439 hash.
Sister, you run temo
star 439 hash.
Yes, number 6.
And rana in your technical challenge ka kan yenti and your draw.
I go for here. What you two?
And ramanche.
And oh, okay.
Star 439 hash. Dalisia star 439 hash. Star 439 hash.
Number 6.
Star 439 hash option 6. Na menche wiska. Na meye 2 draws. Bakubi a meche 5.
Sir.
Yes. Enti exactly 9 o'clock meche.
Yes, so meche 10.
9 o'clock meche. Na about 9:15 so mache. Enti obi wo ense is na 8:24.
Yes.
Sisi a start na to na wetimi nso anya wo de. Na jebi maye was obi dial star 439 hearts no. Yenya boafo a eboa yen for ena no pay yen komo na fe yemie phone lines na ye tie phone so nin komo.
Go fi me no ka say Providence Healthcare Asante omo bi omo apro dia to no mo say wa opeso ye lab ahodo bia ene scan ahodo type bia ope bia bro mo aso ye no mo fa machine papa fa si so omo twu moja no mo fa machine papa mu no mo nya the accurate and the needed results Dr. Bia Epe na oseme ka chete for say efri nyame ya dom next month 1st of September ekopim 31st of September e free screening e wona so ye oye e dia ma obi bia opeso ye screening bia free of charge onye ka prekra to crew them eti eye 1 full month promotion e na oye eti mesra mom yenko asanwase opposite St. Teresa Catholic Church e hona be hu Provident Healthcare na ultramodern machines ne dia bebre kwa cardiovascular monitor or micro circulation breast cancer monitor or massager or detoxifiers or just a machines ne dia bebre na aseme fantu anim se osa yare bi to say memory loss obi a enche na ne refi asem obi asem imprediasan eye kakra bi a aso ka asem bi a enche a wo na ne refi enye normal yare wa spinal cord osisi okon nasefo ye wo ya bra no omsa yare obi a wanya asthma obi a wakwakoti gono ema ne mema mu na yare ni bi no wakwakoti bi a mesro bomodi aso be ko Provident Healthcare no monya daje ahwe prostate cancer, malaria, typhoid, hepatitis B, ni na osaho yare, and any skin related problem biano. But more than also called Provident Healthcare. Ewo Asawase opposite St. Teresa Catholic Church. Now, say we catch a Konongo for say Konongo Munko Station, Agogo Station one more opposite Ghana Commercial Bank. Saso and Muamute Obugoso Munko Krobo filling fitting shop. Yes, Krobo fitting shop. Na munyo mu enkodi nkomo Omo number betumi from Moses so 0248 422864 0248 422864 and 020506 830210 0506 830210 Provident Healthcare Semenka Jose Brana so esisi a me no ka se we bi na pro e dia tum na okwa kosi dan anya afre na akwa koto cement na be kone so cement a short na udisika ma mesi ni no toso me forma no mo toso saa da bi misrewa Empower Super Concrete Blocks Semenka Jose oba de hono mo blocks ni bi gu ho dewa ni odi be si dan ni odi be ye ni opose de ye bia pavement block wo ho tiles block wo ho road cave wo ho ni odi be ye concrete ni na bia bi wo ho no mo blocks ahodo ni na bi wo ho no mo osanso eto roofing sheets ahodo types bia roofing sheet types bia ni ope bia say long span o say den obema 100% compatibility na bibia so timi akoye ne bo so afo pa ne bo afo pa do mo de so be ko empower ho no na oni na di nkobo na kokoto blocks ne bi blocks ne bo afo pa 0271 144 444 0271 144 444 and 0208 3964 24 0208 396424 our Santa se prekwane so o ko bebu ho no mo a ho no mo na behu empower na yenum so ene ya anniversary e babedi your 40th years anniversary e babedi ye desert natural mineral water na e babedi anniversary no yesu emu da okroje izo na edepa FDA for ahwehwemu agya tum say yes yesu papa eno no so kra otu amna no otu namna donko ba 100 meters underground eno wakwa yusu kroje a enye galamse nsu bada yesu kroje a ode 7 Ghana ne wiase fa na yina Mr. Opedodo atu abobode so be friend number we 0244 620294 0244 0244 620294 and 0208 183018 Ezet natural mineral water bibini black man ene de abadwama so say yemomode ane yenum bi na bibia so ntimi nkoye emfamaye na Kofi ye pe sisi ya painting no ase ye twemu anisa nti Alaska Style Enterprises so amaye the next best alternative na alternative ni na wallpapers ahodo a wakofa free Sweden, Canada, Spain, US of A, France, Denmark, any crowd, just so money soon ya my fair and wakofa ba na ubie wallpapers no so pa colors na oh Kofi fine pa exclusive designs and colors. Alaska Style Enterprise America just say wallpaper yes anyu ni bibia no brother so ye ewadum Mrs. Anoche Plaza ho no mo ebe Prudential Plaza ewadum na osimeka just say wo epoxy chemical ho waterproof chemical or stickers or strip TV strip light just our nyama bebre e ona so ye enti so open ba ko atwa obeba open do so dodo so atunu aso akokoto anya mfa so a the number no 0554 114 878 0554 114 878 Kofi na ye free anom na Friday enti so La Quinta Lodge.
Hey, na say one day a boss wo
Kovinya sebketua. Enya sebketua. Unya du ho no mo ate say okai no munya ho cover mfa ma. But apart from okare dey.
The best garage.
Me dey dey du ho no ma no mo kru. Omo ehwe me kru hu me. Hey, eya sebo La Quinta Lodge. E ho e kama pa.
It's a very nice.
Omo very spacious environment. Abetimi event bi apeso ye bia. Na eni je sebe wo mu say Kofi na kwa koda ho no ma no pa na odwudwo hu. Woda ho no ma unya sorry ani abebo dem say breakfast are you ready ye famre wa na so beba dining hall no aba be take you breakfast open breakfast in bed on be serve kama o say ha hotels kama wa ha but La Quinta Lodge they go serve you better Kofi they go serve you better omo swimming pool omo spacious environment and as a floor mo de betimi dey event na omo san so Wi-Fi free eno mo mini bar esusu ewo dem ho no nti ensem ya opebi anya afi na o ko ba bia kwa so ba man ma me nsa we da bi obeduru na nsa ni na ye ready e fridge nim nti wa kasa onum ne obetumi anum bia na oduru anim wodwa no watwaka na also wo double rooms e wo ho no single rooms e wo ho o person otua ka so mumu house ye obuji mumu bibia e fine wo ho na La Quinta Lodge say o person make reservation na Friday and the Friday the anniversary pa na sweet
ada e to ana
ento ye go fi ba that's ne ya me person ye bi na yante na se but your 4th anniversary there you wie ya call La Quinta Lodge after party
na after party
yeah party after party na oseme ka just okokoso last stop I Ben White House. Yes. Now
omu down na wo ho no.
Nice. It's La Quinta Lodge. Ho so answer all white so.
Efepa.
We painting kama pa. And am pani bi na bia ho no bo no. O example we nya kutwe ni bia. O that's what we say yes.
Enye dede.
O so go fi akra mu sheda you do bebre sai to. We nya we ba akra so that's what I just say. Ko ko we man is Eti Mr. Open your reservation a friend 0533 844 244 0533 844 244 and 0531 259 741 0531 259 741 and then La Quinta Lodge just make a just say bra hodom na bra wa bebe experience the goodness of their hospitality na Danny Heba say make a just say or the endro bebre de abadwa maso asisi Kofi ebo adwuma yi pa Danny Heba o say ne Danny Heba mixture ne they tried and tested Ghana for na agya tumu malaria ne fever ne typhoid ne jaundice de etu ase kra yes e biso so etu ase kra na Daniton Heba mixture no so Kofi eboa ema obi a dru bosome so a ma no titru bosome ne so a omote ya bebre no betu ase kra de ama eso so betu ase kra wo wonu atu a untumi ni di onu ma it said okotwa bi no ebefa correct pa na Dani natural herbal capsules ye de ni Dani herbal natural capsules ye de ni sisi ya de ene me vitality mema nkwa de destroy your body na kwonu bi o hwe a ona wonu ma na bluetooth sorry.
You don't try this at home.
David.
Only for men.
Your man is so Daddy natural herbal capsules because I boy you pa. And I be ma so nye ready and go konum bi. So unye ready a uhu na nima we go konum. Na be jiwe dis so.
In fact, when the utiminom kra 99.
Go fi wetu ya numa 90 but o say bibi atimisi. Bibi atimisi. On the Friday morning like this. Now, Okono, Daddy natural herbal capsules.
That is a good medicine.
Okay, papa.
Very good.
And tell me who mayo. Onuma, no one who say yes. Some ye bema pa. Bejina super correct pa. Na Danny herbal ultimate so bua ema wa wonya hunamu wa sisi ye ya ne hunamu chese wo ba bia ye wo ye bia owo ultimate papa odi twiso a na eko na Prostate O capsules. Memma no ye face prostate problem any ye juice on ntimi maye o juice na ese ho na asefo no misro wo hia Prostate O capsules ni bi ebeboa pa na aseme ka chete for se mo hye so obi a oba onyem enum bi oba oma nufu esusu enum bi oba oma kura nufu enum bi na akura wadi less than 9 years susu entimi enum bi na opedodo atu amisro Community Heba ko Fredimens Heba Samenko Apidank Heba na Adum Chemicals was Santase number betumi afreso 0244 364651 0244 364651 our Ashtown Mrum adjacent Danny Farmer ehodomo na owo sisi ameno kase govinti ene area so be draw no
ene be draw star 43
twena me nkoye mobile money wase ho
star 439 hash na wa select option 6 na okonim debi on the any time I am the birthday wishes
yes
but I have to do the birthday wish
okay
yes oko Ghana Health Service Ghana Health Service okay, I'll come for that. You take. Okay. Oko Ghana Health Service. Lady B on the award.
Me check was it. Your ba na bema.
Oba. Oba. Ni hu hia me rade. Ni hu hia me.
Oh, I see.
Na oye ni PhD cry.
Asori bi ni so enya wanwa. No, I just say wanwa.
fact,
oh, nice. We crack up for Ade.
Oh yeah. One of the wonderful ladies our Ghana House Service. Yes,
I see.
Wabua mi bebre.
Oh, I see.
And I'm always grateful to her.
I see.
A friend of Modesta.
The dinner the one I'm say.
Oh yeah, the HR.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, for Ghana Health Service.
Oh, okay.
Asante region.
My dinner just Kumasi ya.
Oh, Kumasi here.
I see a casoti.
Oh, what? Na Modesta ene birthday.
Wow.
Oh, dini birthday. In fact, was a very, very wonderful woman. Radin Shirano. In fact, when him say Ejumei Sabi, Abuane Takra na my kesi. Takra boni de fe nyam kwatra. JB de den say, oh, what free will be na. Oh, I ko be me ya me transfer we ya na ya ye ne kama amount.
And
Modesta Radin Shirano. She's such a sweet woman. Me man ya konso.
Aden.
If he say Radin kan I mean kan ya on her birthday. But the washre wa brabo mu ane dana koma so Radin fa na emma no.
Amen.
Na on share day. Oh ye ni PhD. She'll be a doctor.
Yes.
In the next few months.
Yes. Academic doctor.
Yes. And
that form.
And Modesta, and there is your birthday. I appreciate you. And I would say, sir, we love you. A radish on your case. Happy birthday to you, Modesta.
And on your birthday, ne?
Obeba.
You want chicken pepper soup?
This is semi commando.
And a good pepper soup.
Daniel, Yavisha. Okay. We, na birthday we,
production.
Over train. Yes, production we be train. But kono train birthday we.
Ever tutu mese koko. Ever tutu mese koko. We oba koko.
Wait, Mr.
Before tutu.
Na my young konko fa college.
Hey!
Mobia fani tutu mese
koko.
General officers, our nation, our various nations, that is our sub-region ECOWAS, again is facing crisis that we thought over the last 15 years had disappeared. When all 50 members of the ECOWAS countries had chosen the path of democracy,
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
ECOWAS became the toast of the international community and the investor wealth. Remember that in Africa, our region in the past had been developed by coup d'etats and military takeovers, whilst other regions did not have same. The southern and eastern countries had relatively been very peaceful, and whilst we were
Akoma FM 87.9
Kumasi, ladies and gentlemen, attracting investments. The result is that our people were there for the West. But today, our nations within West Africa are sliding again into the era that we thought would never come. That is why it is clear to all of us that the security of the sub-region is going through one of the most difficult moments after the challenges
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi,
and particularly the 90s, when rebel incursions destabilized parts of the West African sub-region, and in recent times, the scourge of terrorist armed groups and violent extremist groups have rocked the Sahel region of West Africa. As stated already, the populations of these countries have been affected by these activities.
Right, I'm for higher Akoma 87.9 FM. I just want to pay extensively dealing with the security discussion from ECOWAS approach. Maybe I told my minya wajenche. Yani yes sitak fonso akasa 03-224-9803-5 and 0243-114497 why a part of the discussion. 0243-114497 why a part of the discussion. Right. My young Kwahuma so na yem peke young callers. But Jebi, unyan toya no wato.
Yes, star 439 hash.
Star 439
hash.
And
Number 6.
And one.
Akoma FM.
And
that's so the fortunately your dear 4th anniversary.
Until you win.
And then you be to sika gumu so papa. Me yes from na mami no nya malinda ma yo nya nteno.
And your friend fie gumi so until maybe fie skago so. Ya ba fie skago so.
Yeah, they go could good pepper soup.
Exactly. Ajebo my emfa callers. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, sir. Juana Meneka say.
Uncle Yogi Boy, Peter Pontier.
Mamintio.
Dr. Monia Juma. Oh, yeah, Manina. Yada is secret Nasi. It's the one Galapo. A Jaya Samuel. You are walking now. Yes, I just who. Naja, Papa. I tell me, Dr. Monia Juma, so you can put Nacha.
Meda say, hello, good morning. When you?
Aduanaba. Kofi Asante.
Yes, sir.
Emo watching what my papa.
You see that say.
Honorable na ya uni kumati asafo. Amba kwenya we na mincha honorable JB Dankwa. Incoming MP for Subi. Me diri se bi mamu de je yanka bomu anana wa. Ndi se yenye bi waka. Ele bi ekoni ekobo wo mo. Ye yenzo le yiri fa wo mo a. E bi aje ko mo mo sika bi na aduani bi. Ndi se asoja fo person mo di abibima na. That year was it for Hadwa. Also, for Angaso more Ghana Haro. Seven years was with you. Since the end of Kofi and Wamuka first for a breath. And the two baby no and send yes, yeah. You have one of Goromo what trouble what he was not here. You got to be almost at them. To end the review of the yes. Come there was a for a bit of book. What has here? Immediately Omuka. Many at your home. Now say, Yama Uti kana amaru ko fire. Ni made for fire. Ne dey be ebo manaba so. Wa ja te made for ni kwasa put for wo. Because can da dem a eze ni pa ni di do manya ka kero mo dia. Unya wo because ya wo tire. Ne di ka gu dem a. Na eze ya se abada ha. Ya ma kama na kai. Ti wo mu ni ai. Yi no mu libi da fe.
Okay. Good morning.
Good morning, Kofi.
Mwana Meneka say.
Kofi 2 p.m. meal, make us free Asante Mampo.
Mamintio.
Kofi, I'm your shop, Vaventia for my mayor, Dr. Sapo. You wa Casapa, Vitino. Now, Kofi, baby, I'm a Cassa, we are here, one young can was here, what's your good
2 p.m. Kafra, San Fabium. Good morning, Juana Meneka say.
One of Kofi.
Minia baby. Okay.
Yes, Ghana Bansa, and I want to put some from one my pa. Now, I thought you cash out on your book code name, and to much service to my.
Yes, and running over that technical challenge, and then we hope inside is rectified.
Yeah, master 90, I'm going to check my.
Oh, okay, that's it. Okay, thank you very much. My young father, scholar. Good morning, when you?
Good morning, Ragovic.
Yes, sir.
Miss Makini. You don't have to me small taxi driver in house.
Okay.
Another yesterday, sir, and to call it to be to me and going in Fimo. Now, you need a whole way. You can't tank and with me a boy trunk here at the Queen. Or the same thing, I'm being feeble. In Tiasrena, only a wound film. Now, a moment you won't talk or more uncle Maddy. The crewman and Casafran or any other soldier for them. I didn't think a year higher. It's a same requirement because also Kurumua over 70% in your support to soldier for. Nay, yet, baby, I see Antiati. You will company for money who that are only ready.
May that say, young father and scholar, also with me a friend 03224 98035 and 0243 114497. Good morning. Yes, sir.
Kofi Asante, you don't do today.
Mamintio Bemena.
Kofi, Juma, Juma. Na me tell you for my brother with program. Kofi, kana da ko kufa be be say. Me ni abako be kasa ko o ti ye ma su da fo no ko eni ade. Na o mu ko kun to ko ni bi ya. O me pese o no an kana o no an ye ni ma no fa ni papa nka ho no mu ko ma ye ho ni. Kofi, ye be say na da ko kufa be. Tano mo fa so da fo bi anko. Se de ye papa no a wo nya be bi ko ye. What do you see at him? bufi atem ni ade ye fi atem kra ye ni ade o wo ti sa soja for do ma kwa to bu mele so mu kan ko ye Kofi na na do dan ko bi fado that step ni be Ghana for ye ntia se da on one thing kra Kofi family radio
me da say good morning
Kofi
yes sir
Would you share black man fashion you?
Hey, black man, who did you?
Hey, Kofi.
Black man, who did you?
Kofi.
Black man, who did you? Ngana kwedi and kamene wa.
Oh, Kofi.
Hey, adian sign wa man kwanta ira mi.
Oh, Kofi.
Waba na abba. Yeah, black man.
Yeah, Kofi.
Let me see how adjuma black man wa fedi.
Oh, Kofi, aye.
Na ye sisa inti kure mete wonka. So obi odidi so wonka sa.
Oh, Kofi, they can make us say.
Oh, intense.
Kofi, my memo abaso na memo uni JB abaso pa. Na mefa kwenye iso na menchia Dr. Matthew Puku Vrempe ena Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia. So, na Kofi, yebesra do danko akufu ado bema ba. Yebesre no a ntokwa we fans we nyen fans. We di omo anko omo ntokwa. No nyi firi sa yi. We a do ho kwa kwaji, wo di ho kwaji ma sesen. Ekofu omo si kuro no emu aye drink. Ya womo se kompanifo no ye niema ensem fata Kofi no mo tia mo kakra o ti de bi wo kodi akoboso nkorofo eso omo fa medi ya no mo dura o ti Kofi mesra do danko akufu ado se o mi ya na ho de wo mu ni di nie fo o man sikari nti o mo ka ntokwa we de wonya akon da se.
Okay, me da say am for the next caller. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, how are you?
Acha Frem Ibrahim ka se free jura.
Mami nti obema.
Ya da mo sine ajuma pa mo Ghana. Nyame kamo. Akufado yesra no mampanyi Santa kowe. Na se Ghana, dia na sim ku sine Ghana de akosoi. Dia na sim ku ku mu ye ni pa ba ku kura anhwere no ko akokɔ. Anhwere no ko. Na Ghana ku hwe aba ya tu ya ni pa mu guye. Na dia na sim ku once in paying for Domudi Moman, Domudi Oman Ghana. On person poor or mining in a it's a wolf, one more about mine so ever meeting. Once a Ghana, dear Cono. Some paying for Sarangina Papa, but so say Ghana and Oko, me and Pipini. But me hear no man Sukono, Papa or boy mine, or say a future. Me, Abba Party, and I'm a cock and paper, Abba Party. I feel in the way you miss some friend.
Okay, good morning. When you?
Good morning.
One I'm in a say.
Visa could in Jankuba.
Mamintio.
You, Mamintia, Dr. Soadon Kota from Pancrona. Mintia Chamodeno Kokiapia, and a Casipana de Akoma, Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia. Now, Kakame person mechanism. Mini Okazako is way MPP, we are MPP, we are MPP, you know, Krana method. Now they make them Kofi. And I don't go to Fado Abaya or no listening government or no Utuana Mobi, Nessa Ghana focus as Anamo, Meninjuma, Yadia or Tristan, why you be Oba, Obidi Yakuni, why you be. This is Ghana for the donors so many.
Okay, me that's say right. Good morning, when you? Hello, one I'm in a case.
Hello, Kofi.
Yes, sir.
Aye, Baba come na ka say Kofi.
Baba mamintio.
Kofi mamincha na wono o peni na mo ho mo dua dia sam na maye na mamincha na papa na mincha do e ba sam ko. Kofi asama e ba ya mo se nyamfa Ghana soja fo nko Mali na yango kontoko na se yanko ye den yo. Misrewo na Ghana mpelifo ntoko e wo Ghana ha no o ma wie ho. Ahon mo na da ho din ya na. Hwe boko ntoko bi esi boko more than some years. Yen tisa ahon mun say o mo ti boko kwotena ho na soja force o mbe ma toko na so etu aka. No bi tene krom. No akrofo wie ne sika. No o so le say me ma mo wie sika na ntime giska yi. No o chichi o mo giska. Na yen peni for Ghana na president say mo de asoja for ko akoko kontoka. Na ntoko so Ghana ha boko for kontoka mo ti mo gongo pata. Obi sade we na o mo ye na o mo hwe ni ye na o mo ye sisa na. Abeba beduru babi na wo hwese na nkwada na omo ba no soso no omo soro soso na yentimi Ghana wo that time na ye wahiva mo manyanka no kwede be ya na beboa yo da bokufo kro omo wu se za mali ya omo so mo koyi nto mo ko he boko de no mo sese ma Kofi me da se.
Okay, Baba Meda, say I'm father next caller. Good morning, when you?
Aduanaba.
Yes, sir.
About 2 p.m. or Masomo.
Okay, Mammy, too.
I know it's out. If you are former, I came, Mayor Obiano, I mentioned Dr. Sapon on a by for Deputy Regional Secretary. Yeah. I thought you are Kofi. I had 2 p.m. again, and Yamabi, and yes, you. Assembly, but the bachelor, you know, Fabio, you someone arranged Anna. And you someone arranged sound. You hear to me every year that Ansana for someone to about you. Yet again, Mohano, Yasum Joye, Yasum Joye, Nadiana, and the Spayam, a woman, Madame Juliet, into 11 to whatever my gun, I just a woman, if 3, just a ultimate. And could be moving at that chairman, and now go and I am for and I hire anything. Or my mujo, yeah, the soldiers say, President Nanado Danko Kufuado, Messerano. Messerano pa to forbid an aqua, me a coming to be among Guardia. Any anchor one bush and a bush you are putting in our uncle. Not a year. Ah, Ghana Ade, Yanwa and I may an answer say, Kofi, young penny boy Ade. Get the embassy a cat and the time of former go. Mr. President, on one fan of Busia Bongo.
Good morning.
Hello.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
I'm saying,
Namiado.
You could be someone not drinking. Maybe Professor Meskin, or did you fear him? Who fear could I win to chase you 3 years? The video cinema, we said, never goes home. It was an abaya with a chinchina idea, Saconia, Sacobonia, Aduanaba. They said it now around just a room. Then go for the money be a rabbit, yes, yeah, they. It is that the session and I don't feel funeral. My Ghana said it, in your you. Never been touch already, can be sure some crackers, the corner. Like I said, Nana, the 2 for say, or say, my friend. So can only few answer and no two people areba. Now I say and if you wish any actually KB and but the other thing on quite 2 for say nothing you use a KB no is your my I don't myself can be actually myself my we get at the same and this way. That's
87.9 Kumasi.
Hello?
Yeah, when
It's from Muru.
Okay, who free him?
A free. And so home.
I'm into you.
The Damasi, Yamishiram. Yes, Rananadu. Sassam wanting some for Sukura. Once a minute, you have a car assembly. One Ghana. As I didn't have a queen. When you have a car assembly, or be by or say, or NDC. Okay, NDC no Yanipa. NDC no Ghana. One when you are to wait, ever hail. Kofi, you are to ever hail. You don't come.
Good morning.
Good morning, Kofi.
When you?
I quit here. That's the driving.
Mammy, you.
You do have a presentation as well.
Okay.
That's what you say. Who educates me? Hey.
Kafra, wala na drop it. Right. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'll be the news expression and Butua, Akokra, Mekate.
Mammy, too.
I mean, Paconia to chat doctor who's your free Akutu. When you begin to get any I was over what day, Mammy, too. Now I'm near Kuma. Aduanaba, Katra, make can say. Man for can and you Kufodo, a Nipa call Akopatantokwa. Your best say, a year Kufodo. A year ECOWAS, and ECOWAS, so none of the country. And the so many this idea. Man, sir, you Kufodo, and a district of free Ghana echo. And he has a car with a cool. Yeah, 20 years, but do liberal. African that is now, be a very cool. Abaza, Babwa. Amwa, if you are a Bessiano Kwan, Mumia, Nayam one year, Siano Kwan, yes, will be sorry, Matisikai, Matitio, you could drop Bergu, can pass sign Yedma, na woto begwa pa ko promote to aban ha na ye na o ma bia so o ma na ko so nyina o go promote na to aban di go anya tuo ni African na that it.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, Ofa.
When you?
Ofa, say the great Bambata ni Rama.
Mamintio Baba.
Ofa, Mamintia, Amos Chumasi Evans, your candidate, Yaudi and Nimoha, with the Aduanaba wa uncle. Ofa, as somewhere ye Kaiwan, Lily Hunter, a hunting and another Ediasa. Because a new one, your friend say, we are a cost one of Sabi and your fans. If you are another Bayaraba to meeting. Muko bokwa honomo eda border no so na ensensemo ekoso wo honom no yentini solve wie na we ya wo san de wo ho akwakoji mu e de mpaso wo pa na de bebre sebe ku ya wo ye na na obi ka no obi ama rentinye wo mu a sebe wo mu di bone wo honom no na papa na pese otu wo so sa na pe mo ha wo na sai ana sebe mo nso mo ka bon de die no hu bia na ofa Mommy and you know, na Ghana, the whole tree, na Yankupo, my hunter. Let us
say good morning.
Morning.
Wine. Akwasi wine.
Academic Casa Pildungo.
Mamintio.
Yo, let us know what my pa moye. Na, that's the way I can be very bare among 40 year politics, one. And wow. The Empire Yano, a bedu baby, yam, and a bed so painting a penetimo, see any other.
Darby, and day you knew why.
And you know, and yes, say, Jan, for my Kuno, before our Kuno, a Janet that I was young on ever started. A Jan in Pen for a year, no hand to cover Bokohaya, Mukume, a Chicago. I don't know what I'm talking much my patavi. Our back out one cool and a Jan kick a boom. Ngo boy kakara pa wa Ghana ha kwa ye no mo so mo Ghana kwa so many day na wo ga do ho ko mo wo ho e na mo tu sie so wa Ghana ade akode be na Ghana ye wo ende Ghana na e dere wa se mo hwe ni ye
Ghana ye ho eden pa don't worry bye be kon good morning when you
hello morning
madam ne ka se
me senya kon revu
Zanya ko mamintio
asa ne pe mo ne ma wa ye ma Ghana for de president onu obi ka de president ye lesson president on your lesson president the mo ko de hello
yes meet you
mo ko de why should not already the margin you may or couple to call back Ghana Queen ewu in more pedo ya ide
okay good morning when you
Papa Martin
yes sir
Alaji Matthew Obinto Bike
mamintio
Mshama Sauli future MP wa Asante cha Papa asemi fwa ifano kwa nkasa ana adi no ho yawo na chomaimu tukoti si baby no mu ko mu wo na ho se wo fi asa ko say nije ako mu kutoka da fa obe you fi asem atames for see you fi asem wo tsa se kwa wi no se degree wo tin kan yi ama mo bonye ti mo fa ho chi e papa mo ya ba wonka who show my mupa this time who show my that who can let me wonka na NPP ama mu bonye tim yen to be ni so na ye bre na jo mama mbra salam alaikum alaji masala
alaikum salam I'm grateful right good morning when you
batamini de fatao nkasafiri mumuni
okay mamintio
nti yasra ma te ma no fa no ndi sase mu ehu nti o de no di ma se boku ha ya boku kwa no sumpu amatman so fa problem na wi na o sade ho ko jonda bi yasra no a ono so ni se bia no so busa ma ni bi nti ada ke bi da to nti onya bi obi bia ma ni tutaje nti ano special ho di ma yasra na ma no fa no ho ko that's it.
Okay, I am Father Next caller 0322498035 and 0243114497. Good morning, one of the saying.
Good morning,
yes, sir.
Mosquito news.
Mami, yeah.
Now, yes, my Kenyan say,
yɛsɛ ne kufuado sɛ wɔhwɛ Ghana ha yɛfa yɛ sekora no asa wo fa yɛ fiasa etie bi si bi a fa yɛ sɛ ɛna yɛ kɔnwuram yɛsɛ no akamfie kakraa bi na wɔde kɔ na wie yɛ yɛbɛsɛ ECOWAS eti ECOWAS fo nkoa na sɛ bi ko papa ba yɛ bɔne a yɛde tuo ɛna ne kɔka wɔfrɛ papa no na wɔn ne ntan ase linia sɛ deɛ adu no sɛdeɛ ɛyɛ nyinaa akɔyɛ no ayɛ nɔɔma kakraa bi eti yɛbɛsɛ sɛ fa efori gu fam na ne yɛn tena se yɛn na yɛn tena tuma mufoɔ no yɛ dɛ ɛnto wɔm sɛ kɔn a mo kɔ no sɛ Ghana ha nyinaa na wɔbɛtena ɛna ɛmu nyinaa nta ɛna yɛsɛ mo mɛtena ha na mo nyere kwan yɛ bɛfa so yɛ kɔ akɔtɔ yɛsɛ Ghana so yɛ asundue man ɛyɛ Christianfoɔ man ɛyɛ Muslimfoɔ man ɛna yɛbɛsrɛ nɔɔma na ɛkɔ no yɛbɛsɛ ne kufuado yɛsi kɛ yɛsɛ yɛde hwɛ ɔman no wakɔgye sɛ wodi si asɔredan a wodi si no ɛnɛ deɛ ɛyɛ sɛ ɛyi wɔde sɛ Ghanafoɔ nyina Africafoɔ nyina bɛhyia ha na yɛnyere kwan yɛbɛfa so akɔkɔ ɔmfrɛ Africafoɔ nyina mmeɛmmeɛ ka sɛ yɛbɛgyere kwan yɛbɛfa so aka baabo ɔbɛkɔ bi papa no yɛsrɛ no kɔna wɔkɔ no ɔnyɛ di mpa na mfa ntoɔ na presidentfoɔ no maba no baabi a bɛyɛ ɛkɔ waseɛ dɛ ɛwɔ Ghana ha yɛho sɛ mpanyinfoɔ bɛhyia ha sɛ yɛbɛgyere adwembɔne akɔkɔ akyerɛ obi ɛnti yɛbɛsɛ no kufuado sɛ kɔna wɔkɔ no mfie baako pɛ no ɛkɔ anwa o sɛ the Bible kaa sɛ bakere mfie apem no ɛyɛ Ghana nyinaa mfie apem ɛti yɛbɛsɛ papa no sɛ kɔna wɔkɔ no wɔnyɛ di mpa.
Okay, my young father, next caller. Good morning, one minute, Kasei.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, sir, Winnie.
I said that about you, because I think on a Kofi.
And Cransam, I'm into you.
Kofi, now we are we are so the so for paying young woman to Quado.
Don't go to Kanye Concord.
And Uza Done, Akumane, activity, them we are best to move overcome and no more today, shed the echo. Oh, nana kufuado o era de zoma bo bi o ma wa kan base ka kai no wu nto be obi oku obi esa la fi so na no to no nto zo mo nko no ni kan o mo nko kunto ko ni bi
azabu o mo nko ni ahwe yeah, good morning, where are you?
Hello, good morning.
Gana mene ka sei
Pacho femi Kofi dia na ka se fia Asante jaban
ma bintiu
wada Roma nzengami ya ekosi ebe ha gini no ebize me hwe ne ekoso na onze ezi hono no aye France fo na ehwe ho ezi France fo na dwen o ma dwen nyina ne se saade no koso o mu business nyina be sei eto o mu US fo na hihye tire no mu ya saade o nto mpese Africa fo ye ankasa ye kutia ye ho ye ankasa ye kutia ye ho na ye kutia ye ho a o mu nya kwan abo wuram enti Ghana na do ne mpanifo omo fo mo nansi pam mo mo hwe ne o ma ye nya saa ye koso no ehu pa be tumi di ozele kese dia bre Ghana na yo.
That's I am father next caller. Good morning.
Good morning.
When you?
I'm Pato, a friend keyboard in Catastrophe, Akomadan.
Marvin Tio.
Mestre, and I could father say, a man to organa, a break to organa, a break. Can I respond to the coas among the Acosa again? On point trade, a wapu, Dumala, more than 10 months in the TV to trade, I also could use his car. Every time a man hobra, say, what do you call Niger and Omako? Mestre. Na Ghana soldiers and so the cars and echoes on a bomb pass or moon and some family in because what the man is doing is so bad.
Already Superman now. What's he saying?
So just start on the corner. Or when you know, no from account. Papa.
Fire Suja, I was Ampai. Good morning. Hey, Ghana, I come my mom for Adria. I come my dream money and Bagana for him to do. When he.
Good morning, Asante.
Yes, I can say.
And I come in because I feel out.
I mean, too.
I can't say, I'm paying an adult. What's it do? Once over Kentokana, Ghana. I'm an Pesocrana. The oil, Guinea for ye, who also them. You came for no gym, which is what I'd hock about her. And two bit of manner. Or motivation or more for Mako Maycoon. Ghana figure for my politicians here. You be a human. O my way o my dia kuma yo ku da dada ya tiare ya to ba ma ni pa wo twe e bo mu ku ku mu nti ECOWAS for mo kante de bi ne de o ma mam o de o mo ko no mo ko na de bi bia no ye o ha se wo obefa ku ku ya sida for na eye ya da wase
it has say father next caller 0322498035 Nanza 9803 and 0243114497. Good morning.
Hello, good morning. Could you Asante?
Mwana menene kase.
Magina from South Africa.
Maminti obapa.
Miss Renanado. Lawrence and you see me a barra girl, na me wa Air Force. I don't cry into me and Grano, Yamia.
I don't know about Panana Ohana.
Papa, so Jenny.
Okay.
Papa, you soldier. It's your way to watch you your tears. Uboni, you be Mister. Yeah, be a cranny easy. Young Colacrani or Anthony, the Mrs. Miss Romoja. In the Tremaman or Kamekayan. Ma'am, what? The Jaminian, you know, Miss Rom, Palmer, and Miss Lepa, another Sanaje. That's it.
That's good morning.
Good morning.
Mwana menene kase.
So only Tofik ne kasan kasa free mambo.
Mampon Tofik mamintio.
That's what me say. Aka Russia for no mutimi mbe fa ekufado enko mai. Ebi a wodi soldier for no kone se je ni pejani se abro efe mu a no ma ka se ni Ghana for esu ye ka obi no ma be peja akufado.
Kana fubi kasi furpa. Ombe fana na donko Russia maye.
Before the anniversary na chief imam kuta sakai no no because na nanado to the chain chief imam eti nanado che no kuta sakai no be comment us the problem na no to chain and then offers Ghana oh that be ahead
I got that's interesting anyway
the problem na no to no join na no to for them good
morning, when you?
Open gas
yes, I want
to tell you.
Okay.
Mamencia, na mencia was a phone what your phone and can need for 18 almost 18. Open gas here. We are now one. Would be anywhere also cool. But also, and yeah, Africa has here. Yempeni for this omudieni ofen ne omo ye edit nye mbabuna fa eterebia na eye bufu na ya bufu e o Ghana as especially se mam kan kwa vancho omo pene kufodo ehu ene wonu muntu no hoye saade en ene be hwe nso a yen kan kware tama omo mpinda da mills nyakopon fa ne currency yi the same thing cause asem no kan o se di fi asem ade no omo pene kufodo en ge saade no on kete e be di fi asem na wodi hu kwa jeje sa ene we so di asuja fo e de e ko sa nto kwa ibi yemi say won see amanfo nyina e ka se be ya mo mpene kufodo e be ya jasa de na division na why de what take but papa si tintina ake o de asuja fo e de e be ko yemi say de no hu ana hu be na abanu mu ye be say no onya legacy papa e de enfanto na piece of ba o my Ghana si we nyema o ye nyina tete ensisi so because we say e ko so mama na ku ezizwa yo mo mpene kufodo ni pen for e ye wo Ghana si e bro so by any bonfire things that cuckoo, then my Dania 2024. You better about United, not by United. I think because you are in it, one generation. You be something the Air Force Society jail. Study jail for Timon United, Epen Air Force. They are saying the more African leaders are moving in your Moyan and in the Mutai, thinking, Mudia to your four number pasta president, you have 2 fish. What's up upon a bit at the end of Tessa? The best of Omani over in a chin in the door.
Hello, good morning.
Morning, Kofi.
Yeah, Juana Menene Kase.
That's your Roman father.
Mamintio.
That's your Yabo Code.
Amiado.
Yeah, Kofi, Maba Basso, and Mapa, or Yaboa or Mangana. I can climb the Canese, Nanadia Seno, Tokani, more fast judge for them called a vessel Nadauma, Yatigana, a fire one, you only yasin, Namin Camo, and Damasi. Bye bye.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, Opa Kofi.
Juana Menene Kase.
Your friend Kwame, me can have Franco.
Okay.
When you know, yes, Casemo. The African leaders, no, we discuss as I'm a team for. Well, Scana, because I will not be discuss at Romo. Mutimi Bidia, you bet my Abba Miska. To the sketch, yeah, over your mind, taking us. Africa peninu onye wusika pe ne no hope che no diska no my ashe no why na endi yakopon boy e da se.
Yeah, good morning when you Right. So for last caller. Good morning, Hueni.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes. Good morning.
Morning, Aduanaba.
Yes, sir.
Ebe me Japan. Because if you have go Asante achim.
Mamintio.
Na eba mi bu amana na do ni se. Ana kufu ado. Oti we. Asa wa petu afọ no taroto. Na so be ko ku ya ti ja. Mo mani ko huri. Ya he je bi sie. Eba mi bu amana ano.
Okay. But I'll see him for last caller. Now, I wrote that video. Oko Burkina, one of the 34-year-old young man now.
Ibrahim.
Yeah, Ibrahim
yes,
Touare.
Very, very young.
Almost year training and on one casa in the creature, I just say, Russia for man total support. Now, near my all, you know. I mean, it's all quite easy on a number. If you move visiting all the guys, and the guy is seriously doing a lot.
Yes, Kofi, but what we say na a security expert here on Oneneka say. Kofi was saying a lot to say weapons no more diabano. And you now yeah. It is here also the kwakoko tokwado. Nipa no ne kwakoko tokwado. On the weapon now yeah. You might have the men, but you are not be ready for the fight. They shouldn't Kofi pete mami akoko. It might be and try say kwakoko ji so. Pete mami akoko. Okwache na ubeji we so. I mean, there's a one more pay for no muntie no mo they should learn a lot of lessons from the Russia-Ukraine war. Omukoye takra James sir. Is there the point to be the Ukraine president so man is as no ja no su. Mo be ya na masa be ka say oh and the je ntokwa nti and the je ento obi aso so ko ntokwa. Wan na ko ntokwa. Obi awu wo DJ ga na Kofi obi awu. What kind of a year is that?
The
president
Ibrahim Touare ni.
Onuni.
Yes, he is the president.
Well, can you imagine?
Oh, now we see on I tell you about Facebook page. Just say he's just there. The guy. Oh, akodi ahudwa. Oma bobo another train.
Wow.
Yes.
Very young guy.
34-year-old man. 34. Small boy. Only. We are a special force. We have been to boy inside. He's not the president. And they are just there.
And unfortunately, Kofi, African leaders need now.
My father's caller. Good morning.
Kofi.
Yes, sir.
Odechia Kojanchi. Pumna Kasai.
Mami Tio.
Kofi. I called the Pedro Maimu. Na not somebody for. Nsa Burkina, Niger, the Siano. And Tokobia Sio. And we are can't go a try go as a lady. The year who free my name.